FXBros.
Bros. Yo, yo, yo. What's up? We are here Wednesday morning, November 27th, for this live trading session. We do have news, heavy news that is coming out in 10 minutes. Let me get signed in so you can see what's going on. As you can see right here, we got a countdown. Currently waiting for news. See, we have about what? Look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 news releases, all at 7:30. Wow. This is about to be crazy. Not sure how the market is going to position itself so far. We don't have any true signals for anything. I mean, the buy signals was weak, which didn't work out as we traded lower. The buy signals from back here was weak because we got swept out, and it was only this one sell signal that pretty much with a tight stop got stopped out here. So on the 4 hour, it's really nothing that's setting up. Like the daily is pretty much in the same story. We had sales since October, and the rejection of election. So yeah, nothing really screaming as far as setups. I mean, we did get this bearish engulfing, but it was weak as hell during London, pre-London. So not sure what we got. What's up, brother?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
And nothing much, but to see the markets go crazy with these 12 news releases.
Oh, you got 12 of them things, huh?
Yeah, the usual 4 that they usually do on Thursday, but holidays, so.
Facts. Yeah, it's gonna be I think it's gonna be pretty exciting.
Yeah. I mean, just that alone, the fact that they cramming all those releases into to one morning, like, yeah, that should add a lot of volume. Man, what you got any expectations of market direction?
Hell no.
I know we had a
I
big
think
one like
Thursday,
morning.
Thursday news coming out on Wednesday, accompanied with other news, high news events, all releasing at the same time. Yeah, I don't know. I know usually my Thursdays are bullish days, just over history. So if I had to be like, I don't know, buys maybe, that's what I'm at right now. But
Gotcha.
yeah, you know,
I know the Bulls were fighting and holding strong during Asian session and going into pre-London. They had a 2 4 hour indecision candles. Like market didn't know what it wanted to do, but at least it kind of held its bullishness throughout all that. So that was a lot of fighting. Like we'll see how the market's gonna respect that. I'm I don't know the way the market pushed this high is still not telling me nothing, but I'm kind of leaning more towards that we might push up higher with this news release. But
yeah.
I'm not sure on if we're gonna stay higher or if it's just gonna be a quick push to retest. So
Um,
we'll have
I
to
don't know. It's a good chance it can do a push up, um, and just consolidate up there until Friday.
right.
You know, that late Thursday overnight, so last Friday. But yeah, I really don't know, bro. I mean, most times a lot of people don't even trade these short holiday weeks and all that shit. But
We
I can speak for everybody. I fucking, I would trade.
nigga, we do.
I'm about to say no, yeah, I can't speak for everybody because I know what I do, especially for the time being. But in the future, I can see you being like, oh, I'm with the family. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm free
Facts.
type shit. So
Yeah. Approaching on 1 minute left. Mm. See what the dollar is looking like. Dollar is selling off. If it continues with that trajectory, we are going up. I think AU is just waiting. But we are selling off on the dollar. $30 left. $15. Let's see what we get. Yep, pushing high. I'm just gonna keep dropping. News, news, news. See what the news releases are saying. We still got more coming in. Still a quick refresh. Mm, 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 mm. This is still loading. Okay. Market didn't have a crazy, crazy reaction, but we are pushing higher on the 1 hour. I said we do have 30 minutes left for this 1 hour to close. I'm not sure on where it's trying to reach to, but yeah, market is definitely pushing higher. Mm, 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 mm. So we have some of the durable goods orders, excluding defense, excluding transportation, month over month, and goods trade balance. Overall, look like we have negative news, even though it's positive from, well, no, that's negative. Yeah, that's all negative. That's crazy. A goods trade balance is negative $99 billion. I need to get that back positive. I am not sure what that means. Let's see. GDP growth rate quarter over quarter is at 2.8%, down from 3, but they supposedly got the consensus right. Let's see. Personal spending month over month is down. Makes sense. Personal income, it says it stays the same. It's stagnant, no change. That don't make no sense. You see increases on that. Um, and then we have jobless claims, 4-week average, continuous jobless claims. All those are look like it's consistent with the previous. Um, they're showing positive because it's lower than the consensus, but it's no change from the previous month. This one is lower, so that is a positive. And this one is lower, so that is a positive. So I would say overall, I don't know, it's kind of mixed. Mixed news release. You know, some good in there, some bad in there. Some really don't make no sense, but we're going to see how the market reacts for the rest of the day. Still have 11 more volume coming in. around, what is that, 8:30? I believe 8:30, 9 o'clock. New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, 8:30. Let's monitor this. See what this 4 hours gonna close like. Cause it's looking like it's trying to close bullish. The dollar is still selling off. The dollar, one thing I can say, if anything that sticks out, I'm not sure what the dollar's reaching to, but I do know we are sweeping levels, low levels of the Asian session, but that's still not helping us as far as trying to get a clear indication on what's pulling the dollar down. Possibly this price down here at 106.20. Well, we will see. Let's see what this red line is, because I did not label it. And it's not good. Yeah. Yep.
Look like we running up, man.
Definitely running up. Definitely running up.
I got no complaints on that one.
It is what it is.
It is what it is, and we go do what we do.
Did you add heavy on them buys last night?
No, because I was going to sleep. My overnights has been shaky, so I've been taking it light. And when I wake up on the live markets, I've been a little more aggressive on those. So I still didn't add in heavy. I'm in the same position since yesterday evening.
Oh man. Let's go, baby. Let's see what the other pairs are doing. Let's see, UJ probably is selling off. Yes, it is. UJ has been selling off since the beginning of the week. Bearish engulfing on Monday morning with a pullback that didn't take out the high, and the market just melted, following the dollar. Dollar, the same scenario. Where we at? Monday, Sunday. Not a crazy sell-off as we saw, like in what you call them, but enough to push the dollar over the yen as far as dominance and allow the market to just sell off like it's doing. So look at GJ, nice little sell-off coming into an area of interest. It's just demand area. AJ, nice sell-off since Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. So yeah, you've been having entries all week for AJ sales. GJ, same thing. EJ, pretty much similar scenario with everything. Ugly sales on EJ, but they worked out. But yeah. Ugly charts. Just looking at this from, what's this, Monday evening. I think overall, looking back, looks like the sale was Sunday night on the 1 hour. We didn't really get a clear signal as far as a true setup on the 4 hour, but the 1 hour seems like that was the move, the sell from up top after it swept previous highs, previous weekly high. Yeah, those profits are still rolling. Nothing has been tested. Oh boy, you work today, bro?
Yeah, I'm going in. Going at things.
What time you going there? I thought you usually be heading in that bitch already.
Yeah, it depends when I want to go early, but it's gonna be a pretty chill day, so I'm gonna probably leave around 8:30, 8:15, 8:30 at the latest.
I got you.
Yeah. Nigga be doing that fucking 9 to 5 like a bitch. That shit is for the birds. They do that.
That's what I'm saying. Like, this would be a fire model.
Oh shit.
See that logo?
Yes, bro. Put it right there.
Right there.
If I got time, I'm gonna work on that logo, so I'm gonna knock that out the way. So I'm gonna get the logo done. I might fuck around do the emblem. And then after that, just a matter of time till we get the fucking the last thing we need is the damn
Nah,
You gotta
I
set yourself
said,
up for success, man. Do what you can do.
nah, thanks.
Get that out the way. Get that shit out. Yeah, I love that blue though. Like I'll probably that's my all-time favorite. That Chevy blue or whatever the fuck they call. I don't know what color, electric blue.
This blue, this new
That
blue.
blue. That blue.
Yeah, that's the one you want.
Yeah, I'm fucking with that hard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's you. That's you all day.
Yeah, boy.
That bitch fire.
Mm-hmm.
All the way G. That bitch is fire, bro. I'll see it out of that. But this one, this model, what's it? This, yeah, this one. Oh, that's the F one there. Yeah. This one got it too, but see how it's more of a wing.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
It ain't like that V shape.
Yeah, but you can always just, take it off.
Facts. Yeah. People, I've seen people convert the '60s models into the new emblem.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
this the one though. This the one. Come on, AU, $68,000. Let's get it.
Yeah, that's gonna be one fire trade in the future. Give me that.
Right.
Or a week.
Money, money. Big Supreme in the building. You hear me?
Eat.
Get
Right.
Eat.
it.
Yeah.
Man. Fucking news ain't do nothing. Them boys looking at Corvettes.
Ah, I news hit a area of interest that I'm already in that cell.
It look
You
like
ain't
it's
you got an AU sales off of that news push?
No, I'm still sitting in cell.
Oh, you must have got in at a like what you looking like in that position?
I'm just holding it. I already took off a little bit. I'm just holding it because I'm trying to see what the market doing. It looked like it's just possibly pulling back for more entries for sale. So I'm just trying to see if we're gonna break this high up here. You see it on the 4 hour, look better.
Where is your I guess mental stop?
Mental stop would probably I don't want to see a 4 hour close really above these wicks, but more importantly, probably above this green line right here. This that Trump low. All that price action right here.
I can't see nothing.
Oh, my bad. But yeah, right here. But it's 4 hour. So I don't want a 4 hour body to close above these wicks, but primarily this green line is that Trump low. So I want everything to stay under here. As long as we under here, we good.
All right.
And I'm solely kind of going off that because we didn't get a 4 hour bullish engulfing. We didn't get a setup off of these lows that'll make me think that okay, maybe we might have more momentum than we do on the buys. And these candles too, these indecision candles, if they was more of a bullish body candle or maybe some structure developing candles, then I would have probably been leaning a little bit more heavy, like okay, maybe the buys might be working out. But it's just a waiting game.
Really work. Wait for it.
Yep.
This nigga Bradley crying his bitch ass off.
Well, I've been hearing that all since you got on.
Fuck, my bad, bro. I feel like a terrible owner.
Man, that nigga just being a brat, man. You know, barely.
That is a fact.
That's one person you cannot run to when he whining. Just want attention. But honestly, what I think the market possibly can do, what I think it might be reaching for, possibly, if London didn't do what it need to do, New York may be sweeping those highs. But that's going to be the determining spot too, because if we don't reject this and sell out, then chances are we probably going to be pushing higher. And I don't want that. I don't want that. That's just like, it's just more of a consolidation, like all this shit. Like I need structure, I need sales, Or if we're gonna go buys, let it be real. Let it be real. One thing that could happen that also would make me flip, if we do push higher and this daily closes at a bearish and bullish engulfing, then I'm probably going to be looking for that to play out next week. We might, if this is strong and that's the move for the future, then I'm going to be looking at that body, the 50% of that, and seeing how much we pull back into this body, coming on Friday and Sunday to see if we go continue higher, if we get this daily engulfing. So it's just a lot of waiting and shit.
Yeah, Australian dollar chart is it's not the prettiest always, but yeah, this week is like straight ass. It's just a short week. The bulk of the move was done, so a lot is just exhaustion from the election.
Right.
So yeah, Australian dollar is really, really, really. What chart? What time frame is that?
This is the 1 hour. And if you look at it, like look at this 4 hour, this wick that created down here. What was that? November 25th. That was this Monday. This price hadn't been reached since August. So that August low, that carry trade low that shocked all markets. That was that's where price dipped down to. So that indication, depending on how bullish we go, could be seen as okay. Yes, the move was sales on Monday or Sunday after sweeping previous week's highs. Now we swept previous week's lows with this low right here. So what's next? And if you want to see what's next, if we're not going lower, well, we have been selling since October. So if you look at it from a large scale, we've been selling since then, and we start to develop a range. Possibly, it's quite possible we might be setting up for a bullish turnaround and trading into this range. But for that to happen, I would at least want to see some type of 4 hour or daily bullish engulfing to add to that confirmation, to let it be real. And that may happen this evening, that may happen Friday, that may happen Sunday. So who knows for buys? But buys could be extremely profitable. We got a lot of room to go for buys if they do work out. However, sales have been tested with this low, swept, grab liquidity. We still unsure if we're going to continue with sales. We just need more wick rejections at an area, and I would say based on the 4 hour, that would be around these wick rejections. If we don't see the same rejections we've seen previously, then chances are we might be developing more of that bullish advancement. Now, granted, like I said, we didn't get a 4 hour daily engulfing out this low, so I would expect probably those highs or maybe higher to entice people into buys, and then the market's going to sell off. That's going to also piss people off that was in sales that got out. They're going to be like, oh, damn, see, I could have been profitable. And that low scenario might create the bullish engulfing we need on the 4 hour and the daily to go higher. So it's a lot. Like I kind of, can kind of see or map out all potential scenarios, but it's
Yeah, like I said, really ugly. I'm looking all over on time frames trying to find clean traffic, and I don't see any.
yeah. Even on the 1 hour, the 1 hour is the only time frame that gave us any type of clean signal, and I would say the cleanest of traffic we dealing with right now is probably these buys. This bullish engulfing from this low on the 1 hour, buying up into this clean traffic to the left. That's probably the cleanest buy so far this week, but ultimately the move was this bearish engulfing sell from sweeping previous week's highs and selling off. That was the overall move.
Right, like what I can see is, like you said, some nice bullish movement just to set up cleaner traffic for sales. Come on, bro.
I like that.
Come on.
AU.
Let's finally reaching for that area. I still don't know why.
AU in that golden zone on the hour chart between the 50 and the 60 on the fib.
And in that golden zone, would you be looking for
Well, you looking for a breakout in it first.
a
So
breakout?
if it break up, that's bullish. If it break down, that's bearish. Right now is right in between on the high on the upper side. Like you said, it's a pretty much I got it like a sell entry on the Hocking Notches Tuesday at 2 p.m. on the hour. So that's about 40 pips from where we at right now. So that was a whole ATR play right there.
Wait, you said the Hockenassi or the Hockenusky?
Oh, my bad. The Hocking Usky.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my God.
My bad, man. Morning grogginess. But yeah, I it looked just from structure, I will hold a buys until to test to break out of this the golden zone, but and they test that high at 65.07. So I would be, if I was in buys, then I would still be holding and just to see, because, well, let me check being that the dollar seemed like the news was bullish, so I would kind of be watching the fundamentals real close and see how market. I'm looking at sentiment right now, 74% bullish on AU on AUD. And yeah, people selling the dollar, 81%. Just like I said, like, so that's why I actually went ahead and went long on Bitcoin. It was, besides that big ass spread, I'm actually probably about to go positive. Um, Yeah, the dollar at 0.5. Short the dollar like a motherfucker right now. That's the move. Like, yeah, see, AU just broke out the golden zone. Yeah, so AU is going up.
Oh
The
shit, that
buys.
was a 4 hour close too, bro. That was an 8 o'clock 4 hour close.
Yep, yep,
Damn.
yep, yep. Well, see, that's the thing about the fib. It works on all time. It's the same placement on all time frames.
Yeah, that was a solid closure.
I'm about to screenshot it. Like, I don't know if y'all got it drawn up, but I pretty much got the top at um Sunday's high and the bottom at Monday's low. That's the fib I got on AU. Let me put it in the group real quick. But yeah, that 4 hour would definitely just close above it. And with that sentiment and that strength, yeah, if you in sales, I would get out of them. If you in buys, I would add to them. That's what I see.
I
And
like
then that's a 4 hour Hakashi bullet bull candle too. So this about to be a long term buy.
I'm
If
saying holiday.
market,
Yeah, man.
huh?
Be careful and yeah, eat what you got.
Yeah, and I would definitely end my trading day. At the end of this day, I wouldn't hold nothing.
Trading day. Fuck, I'm talking about ending the
The
whole week.
week, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I meant. The week, yeah, I would end the week for
Nah,
sure, and I will only mark up on Friday.
I
I'm
like
not, yeah, I'm not entering nothing on right now. I'm long on the indices.
okay.
Um, yeah, that's all I'm doing.
I like
Being that like
that
the dollar
oil.
going down, but all of the news, the consumer news was good for the most part. Like spending is up, CPI is CPI is worse than expected, but that's good, right? When the consumer price index, well, no, that means prices is going up, right? The consensus is 2.3. It went up to 2.1. Yeah, so prices going up. But yeah, that means niggas is spending money in the markets. So I mean, it's working out. Let me double check again. The indice play working out.
Which
Last time I checked,
which
US 30.
US 30?
Yeah, the financial. I ain't tech Nas. Look, I got to buy stop in it. Oh no, I mean I'm down 4 units, $4, 4 units actually. I got a 0.1 on there. Yeah, so it's Bitcoin is up. I can say that Bitcoin is up with the dollar looking bearish. So crypto probably about to run up 5% or something, 3 to 5%. Huh? But yeah, AU is the look like the best play. AU and UJ. Sell UJ, buy AU. That's the best plays right now for sure.
Sell.
Even EU, you could buy EU as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the plays. And I would go heavy for now and just monitor time. But the trend is strong right now. I don't know what it's gonna be 4 hours from now. Yeah, Bitcoin going up.
Yeah, market gonna range probably until the Friday. If the range all day tomorrow,
Oh, it's gonna be open tomorrow.
it's gonna be open, but it's gonna be ranging.
Right, yeah, you're gonna have no volatility. Yeah,
Yeah, you
74% bearish on the dollar. So one strength, 1.0 strength, very low for the dollar. The volume is on AUD. The volatility is on the dollar. A lot of volume on pound too. 87% volume. The strength is 6 on a pound, so pound dollar is a buy as well. Yeah, pretty much short the dollar is the play, and long the yen. So look like the risk off pairs is winning. Gold, yen. Well, in fact, let me check gold. AU, yen, gold should be going up. Oh no, gold actually dropping. Oh no, not dropping, but in 5 minutes, looking a little. No, it pushed up with that news. Let me see, 7:30. Yeah, gold pushed up with the news. Just then it retraced. So if you want an entry, it's trying to come back up now after that push up and retracement. This might be a decent entry.
Good time trying to come back. That should be crazy, guys. It's damn near like just buy crypto on the red days. Just wait for it to get red and buy it.
Yeah, it's starting to act like the indices. Well, that's what it's going to be because now that with all these people getting into the ETFs and it's definitely the institutional money is going to always be there to protect it and keep it up because they got to keep uh the investors, they clients shit. They got to keep their clients. So they got to bring these people a return, and they definitely gonna go to crypto because crypto have more volatility, which means higher returns for the clients. So you're not gonna see the Bitcoin crash too much. Like right now, look at the pullback. See what I'm saying? Then I say that the pullbacks is gonna get smaller and smaller to where you ain't about to see no 40% pullback. You just not about to see that. Too much institutional money gonna come in before that. Michael Saylor and them just bought billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin for 93,000. Is above that price right now. So 93, not 74, not 70. Like it's definitely a long term play, man. Like if you thinking week to week and even month to month, I don't think that's the play for real. Like when you dealing with leap options and shit, you gotta wait, man. You gotta wait time. Time is really what's gonna flush out all of the competition, the ops. Not the ops, but yeah, some ops and just the impatient people, right?
Shit,
It's patience, PAY.
I was watching EYL. Them niggas got leap options for Nvidia at $208. $208.
Hmm. Yeah, man. I mean, it's gonna be there. It's just it's faster than stocks. Like they say hold stock for 10 years. You hold an option for a year or two and watch how much that could pay you. It just nobody wants to make that sacrifice. Who wants to put away 5K for a year or 10K? You know what I'm saying? But if you do, you making 100K, bro, next year. Like there's no doubt about it. You go to the biggest, most successful, can't fail companies. You see where they got potential for growth, and you invest into them and hold. You buy and hold in the sense of theoretically, but you really long term in it, trading, options, futures, with holding stock. You do them all. That's how you hold this shit. Put a nice stop loss, the monthly lows and shit like that. That's where you really want to be stopped at. And if you gotta have your position small as fuck, well, that's what you do. But you want to be in that move for the long term. It's very hard to predict how far the market is gonna retrace today, or how high it's gonna run up. I ain't gonna say very hard, but it's not the easiest thing to do compared to a month. You could it's easy to say, oh yeah, this gonna be up next year, or next month. But when you going daily, 4 hourly, hourly, it's just harder to predict direction like that. And if you got your stop within less than a day volatility, how is you expecting to be long term for real? We trying to get them big wins every day. That's not really the way for real. That stock theory is kind of really the way. You gonna have them losses and shit. Like, I wish I had patience. You know, I'm getting it. I'm growing it. I think patience come with risk tolerance though. They go hand in hand. Like when you get comfortable with risking larger amounts, then you don't. Like you wouldn't carry you down $200 today.
To me, patience go hand in hand with greed. Like
Mm,
if you can keep your greed at bay, you can wait to
right.
be
Yeah.
successful, you can wait to be profitable, you can wait to be right, you can
Yep.
be
Yep.
wrong. But it's what people be forcing.
You're right. You're 100% correct.
They want instant gratification. You
Yep.
delay.
Yep. That's that greed.
Yes, that greed.
Yeah. I need it now, not tomorrow, not next week.
Not 5 years. Who can say I need it?
Yeah, because I'm not going to be living then.
Exactly.
So I don't want to. I don't want to bet for the future because
Tomorrow.
I'm not going to be living.
Right.
So why take a sure bet 5 years from now that's going to help me 5 years from now. I
Yeah.
might not even want that money 5 years from now. I might be rich 5 years from now.
Boy, I wish a nigga would say some shit like that.
No, Gorilla said it. She said, I could give a fuck about my credit score. I might be rich tomorrow.
Nah, she sure did. She sure, and I kind of cringed when she said that too. I was
Me
like,
too. I
I,
did too. You know I did.
because that's some rich nigga shit. Like niggas don't give a fuck about their credit because they just got so much cash coming in. But
But she literally said, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. She
facts,
said, I might.
facts.
So you
But she,
saying fuck
mean,
something that you know is valuable
but she means
and useful.
it's like tomorrow somebody may pay her 80 bands for a verse. That's what she mean. Rich as fuck tomorrow. Like why do I need
That's
credit?
not rich as fuck.
But
That's a
mean.
nice bag in your pocket, but that's not rich as
That's what I'm
fuck.
saying. That's what they mean. Rich as fuck is like getting in one day making 80 bands for rapping. That's what they mean. Rich as fuck.
I mean, I know what she mean,
Yeah.
and I.
Whole yearly salary for a decent job, a good job.
But still, why wouldn't you do both? You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? If you really rich, you should be doing both.
I can go say I don't give a fuck about my credit. I might be rich tomorrow.
I'm
Huh?
about to say that the culture is going to gravitate towards that line than to being financial literate.
Yeah, I know. I definitely see the play and shit, but it just was cringy. Like
No, 100%. Now, y'all, if anybody know, y'all niggas know.
that shit did was a little cringy. Cause I'm like, damn, she hot, she going up, she a dope rapper.
Mm-hmm.
She don't be talking about no bullshit for real. You know what I'm saying? She
Right.
really be. I think she's the dopest female rapper in a long time. Long time.
That's
Honestly.
that's
I
what's up.
think she underrated in the sense of like she better than Sexy Red.
Nigga,
Um,
everybody better than Sexy Red.
huh?
I said everybody better than Sexy.
Well, as far as like just overall, like on the game, they're gonna put that overall.
Yeah,
Shaq can't shoot, but his overall is in the 90s. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So her impact and shit and influence and she do got some hit songs. She got some hit songs. They cringy,
Like
but
that's what I'm saying. Like niggas ain't too sleep. Like I mean, she ain't that underrated because she's fucking.
no. She not super underrated. I
Like,
just think
I can't.
I
I
just think she's refreshing and like
can't right now.
I don't hear nobody saying like she's that. You know what I'm saying? How they was
Right,
crowning Nicki and Cardi and
right.
nah, like that girl is up there. Not it's the whole over. Like she's a fucking no less than a 95 overall.
Yeah,
Especially when you count even her time in it. She's young. She's like a John Morant. and he from Memphis too. You know what I'm saying? And, so they kind of that's what I see with her.
Yeah.
And then she a female, so it's like that unexpected shit when like but it's just crazy because she'll talk about some sexual shit, but she'll say some nigga gangster shit too. She said, sucking that dick. Look how you running like a little bitch. I said, oh, that's on that new album. I said, oh shit.
That's why I be telling Charles, bro. Our little nephew or whatever. He like what he is. They probably like 20, 21, and I be like, well, I feel sorry for these young niggas. Like these women scary, bro. Like they hard, bro. Like don't you run away from me? I'm gonna suck that shit. I'm gonna suck it.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah,
Nah, they different. I ain't gonna lie.
deal with that when we was coming up. Like girls,
Nah, they way different, boy. These girls more aggressive than we was.
They
Like,
scary. Like they legit scary.
yeah, it is. It's like, damn, bitch, I don't know if I'm gonna get you no dick today.
that I picked up at 3:00 in the morning. Them hoes got into my back seat. The whole ride, they was talking about how they got in a fight and beat up 2 girls and 2 dudes, and they had to run from the fight because the dude pulled out a gun.
And they laughing about it.
They laughing. They laughing.
Mhm.
Like, it was about it. They went, hey, can you stop at McDonald's? We give you a tip. They back there rolling. Girl, that was so funny, girl. You had dropped that bitch for me. I was like, ooh. I was like, damn, these hoes, these niggas in the niggas with vaginas.
Right. Trans. Oh, I forgot we on YouTube. Stupid. We gonna be banned.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you so.
No, Trump in office. We good.
Stupid ass. Nah, what I told you, I said in the future, I said when we start doing lives and shit, I said I kind of want to like take this shit off of YouTube. Like I want to bring all the traffic to our site. Like we go live on our own site. Like fuck going live on YouTube.
Yeah. Well, what you could let me see. Yeah. It depends on where you're going with it. If you want to build that core audience and have that exclusivity, yeah. If you want to get, traffic from people who are already interested in that for free, then YouTube.
I know, but see
But
what
if you want that, we not even getting 100 views anyway. Not on the lives.
not even about that. But once that core organic group does happen, I want like nobody's doing it. Everybody go live on YouTube. Like all that.
Actually, not many people go live on YouTube. Actually, like I don't.
Nick, I can name 10 of them right now. What you mean?
Who traders?
Fucking right. It's traders live.
Oh no, I'm just talking about just content creators. Period. Not many people is going live on YouTube.
No, I'm talking about traders. I ain't talking about. I'm talking about specifically what we doing trading.
But even trader, because you be on YouTube watching traders and shit. This person like me don't. Like I can't name a trader.
Facts. That's what I said. They are. So I know that's true.
Yeah, I mean they got somebody live doing every fucking thing. But for as like commonplace, only trader I see going live is Wall Street Trapper. And of course they do ICT. Like he's the top trader in the world according to Google Trends. Basically, like for people going to his page. That's how I know. Because like if you put in Forex, like ICT
and
trading,
he don't trade live.
Huh?
And he don't even trade live.
Oh well, fuck. You see what I'm saying? So the top nigga is not even going live.
He go live, but he don't trade live. He just do he do basically what we do, but he just break down the charts of what he did.
He analyze. He do charting live.
Yeah,
and
but
give suggestions.
He talk about himself for another 2 hours.
Right. Yeah, I could tell he's some big head. He got a following, a bunch of minions and shit. Like,
oh yeah. That's God.
All them YouTube want,
Yeah, that's God to them.
For what though? Like what? Because he traded a lot of money. Nigga sound Thought
Not
that's $100,000 trade or some shit.
and that his techniques. That's what got him popular. Not he never showed no money. He never showed no account balances.
Oh,
None
that fair value gap shit.
all that shit. Yep.
Yeah, I don't fuck with that. Only because I didn't. I mean, I don't need it. So, fuck.
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah. I'm just saying, like, I got enough tools. Not that it's not good. I just got enough tools to where I don't need no more. I'm trying to eliminate tools, honestly.
No facts.
But I definitely like the Hakenashi better. I just like it better. It's easier entry. Like I'm going up positive as soon as I enter my trades. Like so, this is making my entries way more effective. Way more effective.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't have to think hard. Like it's just okay. But what I am doing, I'm at least waiting for the 15-minute. I don't go no less than that for the Hakenashi signal. I wait for that 15-minute, and I'm still using the swing highs and lows, support resistance. I'm even using RSI.
I don't like
So
AU didn't go high enough. That's it. That's the shit I don't be liking. Like when AU go this high and it don't, I be feeling like it why not? I don't know. It be tripping me out when it be doing that shit. It be making me think all this pullback is doing, that's bullshit. It still got more bullishness to do.
wait, why you acting like it's not done running up or something? Well, I mean, like it is done.
It could be, but I just be feeling like it came this high. Why not sweep?
Because it still got more to go. Look at that damn positive trend line on the hour, the 15-minute. Like that shit is going upward. So it's just like that's an upward trend line on the 15-minute. Even on the hour. Oh, that's what you talking about, probably.
Yeah, I'm talking about this
Well,
high.
what happened is it's right at the 100 EMA. That's what it is on the hour.
London high and the Asian high didn't get swept while I was running up. Like, why not?
That shit straddling at the 100 EMA. That's what's happening
Like
on a
pips away.
on an hour chart. So like it got to get over that resistance. Like that's the average of 100 candles. Where is that right now? So like it's at an average price. That's why for 100 candles. So
Ooh. Y'all trying to go to the FX Summit?
to who?
You know about that FX Summit, Forex Summit they be doing every year?
Oh, where is that?
Nah, that shit was it was in Dubai.
Oh,
That
fuck
shit
that.
it's kind of like that EYL shit.
Fuck all that, nigga. I'll put that money in my account.
Man, come on.
You want to see no niggas? If there's bitches who doing it, maybe I'll go. But I ain't about to go pay to go see a bunch of niggas.
Now I go just to see just to fuck with like-minded people.
Yeah, when I got a fucking $250,000, 100,000 in my fucking, I mean,
a long seminar for somebody to teach me how they trade. Like I don't want to see that, but the network and stuff.
right? That's what I'm saying. That's all they gonna be doing.
Yeah.
What they gonna do? I mean, I guess you could get on the nigga podcast or bring them on yours or some shit. That's about it.
Right.
That's the type of shit I'm starting to look into. Like, I'm trying to build my account so I can have a narrative, a story, then I'm gonna go around just talking. I'm just financial and just pure motivation. That's my niche. Psychology, psychological motivation, like
Edutainment.
huh?
I said edutainment.
Right. Positive entertainment, that's my niche. I was doing good when I was dropping little videos daily and shit's positive motivation type shit. Like I really had that shit. I would write.
Yeah, if you had the money to hire a full-time photographer to just walk around and film you,
What about it?
would it be easier for you to hire a photographer to just walk around and film you, and so you could just get?
Yeah, mostly because they would be like that reminder and slight motivation. because I really could film myself. I did it. You know, you get a fucking selfie stick or something. That's all you really need. You could just go outside, take a walk, and just walk around the block one time, and you could get fucking 10 videos, 10, 15-second clips in that time. That's 10 pieces of content. You just say something that's factual, truthful, relatable, or real, and that's it. Is because you got to realize everything you say has keywords, so somebody is going to be interested in that. You just have to put it in front of that audience with those keywords. You know, that's it. And then you keep doing that, and you going in a niche. Eventually, people are gonna be like, "Oh, that's your boy who be talking about such and such." And now you one of the top faces and content creators in that niche. Now the algorithm gonna start rewarding you as people keep, and that's just how you go up. Like, but yeah, a cameraman like help me be like, okay, yeah, nigga, it's Wednesday, it's 2 o'clock or whatever, it's 10, 11 o'clock on Wednesday, we gotta go shoot, whatever, you know. So yeah, any person who's like an outside person who's like accountability, that would help me. I think it'll help anybody, but it definitely will help me. Like we all need that. That's what this shit is, you know.
True.
You know,
That's exactly what this is.
Bitcoin still going up. US 30 straddling.
US 30 is straddling on the 1 hour, but still bullish.
Yep.
Bitcoin is at 94,000 and continuing to make bullish candles.
What you wanna do? Yeah, remember I was telling him about Kendrick and shit, how he really lost the beef to me. Drake's suing him now for defamation of character, as I predicted. Like, and as he should, because you can't call nobody no fucking pedophile without proof, bro. You can't do that.
This
You
shit.
can't.
So rap is gay. That's what I'm gonna say. Rap is pussyfied and gay now. Because if this was 1995 and Tupac was alive, nobody would be like, "I'm suing you because you
No,
called."
pedophile is different though, bro. People get killed over that. Like that is the one thing that is the one line you can't cross. Like you know what I'm saying? If a nigga accuse me of being a pedophile and I'm not, like that's low, bro. Like that's low. That you talking about kids. That ain't no shit
I
you play with.
feel you. I feel you. I feel you. I
That's
feel.
the one thing. Everything else, I agree with you. But when you talking about a pedophile or calling somebody a rapist, a sexual crime, bro, no. And then sexual crime against kids, no. We that I only YouTube and Spotify. So it's coming out now that Kendrick was actually working with UMG to devalue Drake's the devaluation for when he re-signed for contract purposes. So that's what this whole shit was about. To push basically to devalue Drake's value so they could give him less money. Universal. These niggas was pushing the song all on Spotify. They spent $250,000 on radio, all of this shit. All the receipts and shit coming out.
I could believe that.
No, they got the stats. They got the paper trail. That's why he only just starting to sue because you can't just the lawyers had to go do their research.
Trying to sell his catalog, and they wanted, like you said, they wanted to devalue it so they won't have to give him 100 million. They could just give him 65.
Nah, he looking at 400.
I
But
know,
yeah,
I know the number crazy, but I'm just saying, like,
yeah,
oh,
right.
that's crazy, boy. These niggas is fucking snakes.
Because I mean that think about and so Kendrick calling this man a colonizer, but you actually working with the colonizers to devalue a nigga, like literally.
Yeah, man, that's crazy. I definitely could believe that though. That sounds like some white people shit. Let's devalue this nigga. Now let's buy it. Let's devalue the market. Now let's buy it. Like that's their game plan. Let's cause fear in the market. Now let's buy it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's
Yep.
their game plan.
Yep. One of the oldest tricks.
Nah, for real.
Oh, my NAS buy stop triggered, so that should be good news. Because I only put, that's going above price, buying above price. So you already know what that means. A breakout happened.
Break down to the down. You must be selling it.
Oh, wait, I put a sell stop. Oh, shit. Oh, well, a sell must have happened.
Nah, facts. It's selling now.
Yeah. Oh, and the market just opened. So this actually dangerous times I'm not supposed to be in right now. But hey, let's see. Damn, I'm buying US 30 and selling. I got to make a decision. I don't like to hedge them. It's definitely about to get volatile. It's already going. That shit crazy. I love this shit. The stops is set though, so the
Yeah.
worst already happened.
Okay.
Huh?
I said stock exchange is open, so we got that volume. That's that volume kicking in.
Yep. Oh, it's going crazy. I
8:30.
definitely want to be. Damn. I'm gonna just play it because I got my stops and my set. Hey, it is what it is. They usually run together. Oh, they're both going up right now. The sell is working on NAS and the buy is working on US 30. At this second,
Is US 30 the same thing as NAS?
hell no. They usually run very similar, but
But I mean, are
yeah,
the same companies in NAS and US 30
nope,
and NAS 100?
nope. Now the S&P 500 got pretty much all of them same companies in both of those,
Right,
but the S&P the NAS is tech pretty much. Well, put it like this: the US 30 is.
finance, huh?
Well, put it like this. The NAS is non-tech. The top 100 companies that's not financial. So
US 30 is finance.
not necessarily. It's just the top 30 companies
That's
with the financial ones included. You see?
so US 30 is the top 30 companies. So they got
Yep.
Tesla in there, Nvidia in there, and all that.
It's by market cap. So like is
So they got
mostly it's more financial company because they got bigger market caps, right?
Yeah, I was about to say that. No,
Yeah.
it's not tech. It's like Walmart. Fucking, I'm about to tell you. Hold on.
Yeah, I think the tech companies can be in there, but I just think like the financial companies' market cap is way bigger than the tech companies. Because you got to think about it, the tech companies, where they get their money from? You know what I'm saying? Wall Street. That's why they call it Dow Jones Wall Street. That's Wall Street.
You know, like Caterpillar, those machines and shit.
right.
They got Boeing in there. You
That's
know,
the airline.
Visa and AMGN.
That's all
You know,
US.
Chevron, McDonald's, shit like that
Yeah.
in there. Walt Disney, Intel Corporation, Cisco Systems, all that type of shit.
So they don't have a strictly tech index.
No, that's what NASDAQ is.
NASDAQ
No.
100.
I'm lying. It's not. No, they don't. To answer your question, but Nasdaq is that because when you take out the financial companies, the top market caps is the tech company.
Right.
So
So it's
it's
pretty
kind of like non-farm payroll. Like they don't want to see the farms because that's where all the money at. So US 30 bussing on the buy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, boy. I'm gonna get out this NAS sell soon as this bitch go to turn it around. I'm positive, but I got a feeling NAS gonna start to correlate with US 30 eventually, like they usually do. But maybe I saw Tesla was looking like a sell on the 4 hour. So Let me go back and check. Because if Tesla and shit dropping, that'll push NAS and shit down. Tesla, Amazon, and Meta. If those three drop, yeah, NAS dropping. These shit's not correlating today.
Tesla dropping.
Oh, see what I'm saying? I already knew without looking at it. So
it ain't dropping. It ain't melting. It ain't dropping heavy, but it is in a downwards. This bearish candle's being printed.
yeah, US 30 pulling back too now. Yeah, let me I'm selling that. Yeah, I actually just cashed out that US 30 with some profit because I don't know how far this pullback on. Because I know they got to correlate. Either that one gonna correlate with that one, or that one gonna correlate with that one. That's how they crazy.
Good time to buy gold.
Gold?
Yeah, when it tap this trend line right here.
Oh yeah, look at gold retracing heavy as fuck right now. Well, not heavy as fuck. That was the 1 minute.
It's moving though.
Yeah, it's moving. Pulling out them hawks. I'm waiting for some entry on the 15. Yeah, gold saying buy on the 15 minute. I'm gonna wait for this 3 minute close. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just put a buy in gold.
Wait, you not in that bit no more?
Hell no, that all in pullback, boy. I got out. I cashed out. No, I cashed out profit though. I cashed and I had some orders in. I cashed out. I took profit while I was asleep. Yeah, I don't do all that pullback shit. I'm using the Hawks, the 15 minute. So like when that shit changed, that's my exit. I gotta get out of there. And I get back in when it changed back. Yeah, I was in at 38 though, so technically I would have been up like it was that 14, 16 units, but bro, I don't like to play with my money. Yeah, that shit all just at risk. Like I ride waves, that's it. Call me ride wave. Yeah.
All right.
Look, we on our rap mode. Nigga catching
You
all of
feel
them
me?
punchlines and shit. Nigga ready. Them boys don't know about that freak. Where the freaks at though? They don't know. We gotta drop that shit. That freaks.
What a freak set. What a geek set.
I
What
need
a freak set.
Nah, that's the only one I know.
Oh, freak tonight. Yeah.
What he said?
The other song me and him had made. Freak tonight. You don't know about that one.
See, look.
Yeah, Bob made that beat, but that bitch.
I know, right?
That bitch. Nah, for real.
P.I. Yeah. Nigga, we was going too ham, son. We was going crazy, son.
I need a freak tonight.
Damn, son. Nigga, we should have had a damn motivated. Somebody say, y'all niggas better never stop doing this.
Nah, for real.
Go sell your soul to the Illuminati. They ain't gonna kill too many of your family members. Nigga should have just did it. Fuck it.
Yeah, think about it.
Sacrifice myself like Young Dolph. I gotta die anyway. Get my insurance right. For real, son. I really would have. That's legacy. Fuck it. Kill me. Let my family be rich and all my people. Cause shit, nigga. I know why niggas do it, nigga. Cause what else you got? You gonna die broke and unknown, or you could die rich and famous. You know. But at that time, I was like, nigga, I ain't fucking with that shit. That shit scared me when them niggas really started talking shit and shit. I'm like, oh shit, nigga, these niggas Illuminati coming for real. That shit, niggas went to talking. Yeah, I'm like, whoa. But yeah, Bitcoin was the move. I caught Bitcoin. Let me see what I entered. I think I entered the 15-minute Hakenuskis. Yeah, that's what it's called now. The Usky. It's called the Hakenuski. Yeah. Had to bring it back, man. Yeah, I think I entered Bitcoin on the 15-minute Hawks right after that news at 7:45, and it is working out. Nas still selling off. Let me see what US30 doing.
Jersey face ass.
Huh?
Hmm.
Oh my goodness, Tesla. Oh, I don't know what the fuck I saw it for. You know how you load your screen, that bitch show one thing, then they got to refresh. You be like, oh, ew. Nigga hate that
So
on the
while I
phone.
was talking to my dad yesterday, that boy was like, "Yeah, man, I had bought some micro strategy." I said, "Man, look at this nigga, stupid."
God,
Yeah.
what he
He was
bought
like,
that
"I
dip?
lost."
That bitch
He
dipping
said,
like
"I
a
lost a
motherfucker.
little bit of money because it had dip." I said, "Shit, as long as they holding Bitcoin, you straight."
Nah, for real.
Yeah, it dipped. That bitch dipped like that nigga lost 25% in
Right, that
fucking
bitch.
5 days, nigga. That is
And nigga
horrible.
knowing that boy did not just he ain't been bought that bitch. That bitch had to be done just bought that.
MicroStrategy
Right. Huh?
MicroStrategy selling off like that?
Well, when Bitcoin was just selling off, yeah, people went to
Yeah.
cashing out that shit. Yeah, they lost
It went from like
25% 5 days.
430, 450 to like 380. Yeah.
It was at 420 actually,
Oh, all right. Yeah. To 380. That's still a
because I
lot.
remember.
30.
That's 40 point.
No, you gotta look at percentage with stocks and shit. That shit dropped 25%, nigga, in 5 days. 24%. That is
It went to
horrible.
full
That's
what?
a crash. That's
430.
literally a crash. Like I
Uh,
don't know what it did, but they
right
Yeah,
create
that bitch was at
volatility
5.
on purpose
What they
though. He
say?
say
445.
they sell the volatility.
now.
That's what he do.
That bitch was at 541.
That was the high.
Damn. Yeah, and that bitch
Yeah.
at 385 right now.
It ran over on that ATR. I mean that RSI. That's why your boy went to said it's overheated, and that bitch sold off the next. It is. It definitely is.
Man, that shit just following Bitcoin, man. Them niggas so fucking heavily positioned with Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin going up, this shit gonna go up. Just like it's
No,
doing.
the people actually make money. Them zero interest contracts that he sold. How that works is this: those investors get their money in an event of bankruptcy even before the shareholders, because he making them a bond. That's bonds, you see. So they get their money in the event when if they go bankrupt, they get their money before the shareholders. So it's protection. You see what I'm saying? Even though they don't have no interest on them,
Mm-hmm.
it's if they do go down, they could get their money. But if it go up, they get the gains. You see, so he got that shit figured out. That nigga smart as fuck. Like on some mad shit, economics. He's genius. Like you know, probably ain't the smartest nigga in the world, but he's definitely very intelligent than the average white man. You know, like he's you know,
Right.
and he really just based it off Bitcoin projections. Like he's smart enough to know, look, this the thing is running up the most in the whole fucking market. So how can we just capitalize on this? Fuck everything else. That's the approach he took. And that's smart. That's smart. You know, nobody else did it.
Appreciate it.
Who? I ain't talking to you, Negro.
Oh,
Uh,
You need growth.
I need a 8
I thought I was one of the smarter than those white men. I thought that's what you were saying. No, I'm just playing.
I'm about to post that song in the group. I'm about to post it in the y'all don't leak this shit.
We all smarter than the average white man. We all smarter than the average man, and that's
Yeah.
fact.
Yeah.
Who else? Who else? All on live, trying to increase their wealth together like this. Like, come on, man. That's smart right there.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's working.
We could be doing some other shit. Like the non-smart people are doing.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, who you call non-smart?
They know who they are.
I'm dead. Yeah, I'm about to go share this link to the live.
Yeah, share that shit, man. Put that shit on the
I'm
billboard,
about
on the
to
CV.
pull off.
Nerd. We got a little 3 subscriber increase. I think it
You
came
heard me?
out them shorts that I put up.
Yeah.
I think that shit helped a little bit on the cool.
No, I'm telling you, watch over the next 6 months. Like nigga gonna be probably about 1,500 subscribers.
I'm gonna put some money behind that bitch. The one that one that's like 100 and something views.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You got to do it in YouTube, huh?
Yeah, YouTube Google ads. Google ads.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just go to Google ads, make a little account. Shit, you could pull it up right now. I could walk you through it or whenever. I got work today about 2. But yeah, we you know, it's a strategy to you gotta realize you won't put out something that's gonna catch people instantly soon as they start listening. And you kinda wanna like format the shit, to increase the probability.
Mm-hmm.
Like, cause the average person only listening about 7 seconds, 3 to 7 seconds. So you gotta kind of catch them within that time.
I'm gonna have to edit that whole, huh?
Probably because of cursing. Yeah, I mean, it's either they gonna approve it or they not though. So you don't have to edit. You can just put it up. If they approve it, they do.
Yeah,
I just saw 85 South run an ad and it was talking about something that was rapping. It was like the hoes got the hoes and the flows and some shit with the Master P the New Orleans concert. I was like, damn, they let him, but they only said it one time. They said ho, they just slipped it in there. So I don't know.
yeah, you said in $20 wages. That's what you said.
Huh?
You said motherfucking $20 an hour. That's what you said.
Yeah. Fucking is they don't like that word because it's like sexual. They think you talking about sex.
But we ain't use it in a sexual way though.
Well, now they don't care about that shit. It's AI, nigga. They ain't no humans. So the bot gonna pick up what they pick up. But no, I said motherfuck. Wait, I said motherfucking. That's different than fucking. You see?
Yeah, I know
Because I
you.
had an artist who this literally happened. I had an artist and he was like, "We fucking this." That was on this hook. Something he was saying. Song was tight, and they banned it. They took it down. It was like he said fucking. Which is a sexual reference at about 30 seconds. I'm like, what the fuck? It's like he said he just was like, we fucking, like I'm like, okay, I guess.
Yeah, nigga.
He said nigga too hella times. Y'all don't care about that though, huh?
Fuck no.
Well, they can like I guess it can be a racial slur, but yeah, they'll let you say nigga though. They don't believe that out. Say nigga. We want you to say it. Say it for me, since I can't. Market don't know what it won't do. Bitcoin do though. Bitcoin trying to run up.
Man, Bitcoin is independent of all this bullshit.
I know. I love it. And gold too, kind of.
Y'all have Twitter?
I got X.
I was about to say, if y'all got a Twitter, y'all might well go post this shit, man. Repost my shit, something. Man, we need to get this bitch popping. We need everybody to be on our shit, for real. So we
No,
gonna have
we
then we're
just
gonna
need to
have
make that
revenue
fucking
coming through
money.
the YouTube.
I gotta do
Not
it.
that I'm looking for it. I'm just saying it's all
Repost them
Nah,
shit.
you right. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. We just
Yeah,
got it.
we always talking some real shit. It's just people
Nah,
need to
if he
be in here
keep
for this
clipping
shit.
them, if he keep clipping them videos, it's gonna grow like that. I'm telling. Like people not gonna just come up on a live. Like
That's what I'm saying. You gotta repost them shots in y'all social media shit. Y'all Twitter, y'all Gram, all that shit.
yep. Y'all can hear me still?
Yeah.
Oh, so I guess that should just mute for a while. But yeah, it's gonna grow off them shorts because you got more eyes on them shorts. The lives, you only gonna really get eyes if somebody actually get on you. The subscribers could see it, and the people who actually searching trading type shit, if they search live. But
Right.
that's why you really want to. Well, you say you use the right keywords and shit, right, from Chat GPT. Put them shits in and also the titles too, though. The title is probably more important than the keyword because really the keywords is in the title too. They don't say it, but you know, and that's what get a person clicking and stopping. Like, let me see. Don't just put forex analysis. That's not detailed enough. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, I'm not really tripping on that. I want to keep that the same. That's why I was using I'm gonna use the shorts to grab people and pull people
oh,
into.
okay, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. That's where the growth gonna happen at
I want to
anyway.
keep the lives kind of uniform because it's easy to go find shit. Like when we want to see what Trump was talking, what we was talking about during Trump, we just go back to November 5th live.
Right.
It's easy to find.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Baby.
Mm-hmm.
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 Not helping, man. Drop
Yeah. Yeah. Drop the market. Fuck it. Drop it. Mm-hmm.
up for real.
Mm-hmm.
Except go. Mhm.
Right.
Lord,
Mhm.
Can carry on.
Yeah, carry on, brothers.
oh man.
Fuck, fuck that shit. Don't do that.
Now go getting weak. It seems like everything trying to drop except Bitcoin. I'm
It's just a
definitely.
facade. Don't believe gold. She just bullshitting for
Yeah,
motherfuckers.
these first 30 minutes, I don't
You
count
got
these.
the holidays, man. It's not a lot of volume in the markets right now.
Right. Yeah,
Isn't it?
it's something though. This was one of them. See, when it's the lower the volatility, the higher you risk. The higher the volatility, the lower you risk. That's only right because the volume is going. You see what I'm saying? Do the rest. When there's low volume, you could risk higher. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna need to, right? To make something that you feel is something.
Yeah.
But when there's volatility, you definitely want to scale back on those risks. So that's just a basic. But yeah, goal is the
Gold is just kind of chilling right now. Still pushing up. Got a lot to fight up. That sell off was heavy on Monday. Fight through all that shit. Was and that's all the news. More news today, and I think that's it for the week. Yep. No more news for the week. Everything is euros, so we're gonna have probably some EJ volume tomorrow during Thanksgiving. So you gonna probably could trade some EJ. during London session. If you up 3 o'clock in the morning, shitload of news coming. CPI, all kind of CPI coming up.
Shit, UJ too. Euro moves the dollar as well. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Yeah, Euro moves the dollar. Bullish Euro news is gonna be bearish dollar news, and vice versa. They measured the most heavily against each other. So once again, fuck the news unless Jerome is speaking because they don't do shit. Jerome and Trump, the only two who move the market. Fuck all the stats.
Like, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't really be giving a fuck because the news is that bitch gonna push it down a little bit, if anything, and then bring that bitch right back in the same direction. If it's legit been trending, that shit just gonna probably go against trend a little bit, and then boom, it's finished, gone with trend.
Yeah, the news be already factored in, man. It already be factored in. Because traders are smart. Like, traders know what's going on with the markets. You ain't got to tell them.
Watch what 9 a.m. does. We about to see. Yeah, 3 more minutes left.
So this time you was calling me smart.
Yeah. Yeah, nigga, be Nah, gold running the fuck up on the hour though. Like, if you look at the trend line.
Oh yeah,
the
trend,
got
yeah.
breakout.
I'm about to say it's a down hour, but we about to go back up.
Yeah, this 9 o'clock hour. That's because a lot of people don't get in between 8:30 and 9. I'm actually one of them, but the volatility, the news, is low, and I'm watching
I'll
a
be the
small
same
time
way.
frame. Now you're not supposed to. You're supposed to wait till that shit do what it do, especially on the indices, or any stock. Let that. Huh? Yeah, Bitcoin is my best move of the day.
Let's see. Indices.
Yeah, you're gonna be in
Under
the
the sea.
come with these analogies. Damn, Nash, why you want to pull back like that? Dip off and pull.
Nas 100. Nostradamus. Queensbridge, get the money. Dollar bill, y'all. Damn, US 30 had a crazy pullback. How much did they say? Wait. Wait to fill. What's the VIX doing? It's creeping down. How do you measure the VIX? Does anybody know that? How do you even look at it?
The fuck is that?
It's a volatility for the S&P index.
Nah, I think you just look at the number, huh? Like, what the numbers go to?
It's 14. It's go from 14. That's where it's currently sitting. It's in a range of 14 and 19 for the past 3 weeks.
Not sure. I don't really fuck with SPX so much, so US 30 got a sell entry on the 5-minute.
30.
So that trend is changing.
See what this 9 o'clock candle gonna do. Are we gonna continue? Or are we gonna convert it?
Yeah, it's bullish on the hour. 30-minute is
15 seconds.
Bullish. 15 bullish. 5-minute pulling back.
That was a nice pullback from 106 flat. Now run the fuck up.
What?
9 o'clock.
Shit, I could buy and sell dollar too now on the crack account.
Or the actual dollar.
Ain't gotta watch nothing else. Just this.
You heard me?
I'm up a whole 3% on the crack account.
Mm-hmm.
That's good crack.
Crack.
I didn't overdose.
It's good.
Yeah, I'm keeping my risk small, stop loss and everything. Them fees gonna get your ass though. So it's best to buy and hold on them motherfucker. That's the wisest thing to do, honestly. So you could, cause like I pay about 3% in fees as well, type shit. So I would have been up 6%. Yeah, like about half of my profit, 50% of my profit I paid in fees. So like if I'm up 3%, I pay about 1.5 just on fees.
Wow.
So my last trade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My last 8 is green. Then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before that was red. And I had 1 green, 1 red, green, green, red, red, green. And
So
the reds are much, much smaller than the greens. Much smaller. Yeah, this how I gotta live, man. Crack life.
Crack life.
It just makes sense. Like,
It's the crack. It's the only life for me. It's the crack life. Everybody, crack life. It's the crack life.
I think dude hit the bone out that crack pipe. That crack.
what is it?
Hit that food out that crack pipe. I
Oh,
think dude hit that bone.
hit that bone. That's that act right.
Dude ain't got a hustle bone in him.
You do auto tune, huh? 6?
Man, I do it all. I do it all tune. Man,
Uh,
I got
all to tune.
shit that can make your voice sound in key without auto tune. It's called Melodyne.
Hey,
You ain't never heard of Melodyne before, huh? You ever heard of Melodyne?
I think, but not really.
Yeah, man. That's that Beyonce shit.
So they don't sound like auto tune.
nope.
It
It
just
just sound.
the same, the same. Y'all, you'll notice that it make it sound like you was like that shit perfect.
Well, you broke up like a motherfucker.
Now I was saying you could fucking you could sing and then I can move your notes in key even if you all key, all key and all that shit. And I can bend your notes, your vocals and shit, and make them in key
Right.
without that robotic auto tune.
Right. Sound.
Yeah, I'm more natural.
Hmm.
That shit crazy. It's fucking scary as fuck. Like, cause you you could really like change.
AI, basically, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I guess, but you got to manually control it. But yeah, AI basically finds your notes and places it on a chart, and then you get to move it and bend it around. So yeah, that's it. Kind of is. Artificial. We are in a. This could be we gonna be leaving the information age and going into the artificial age. Large language model. Language learning language model. LLMs and shit. I might want to look to buy UJ, but I'm waiting for a better setup. I'm looking at this breakout.
Buy it?
Yeah. If I get an engulfing, but it's not nowhere near the setup. But I'm gonna see
Oh
how
no, yeah. People did go 50-50 back on $1 now. So
guys ranging on this.
and they actually selling yen more. So yeah, this would be a good you got one. It's
I
this
ain't
basically like a
got, I ain't
change of
got it.
huh? It's like a swing point.
Yeah, I gotta wait.
But the strength, the dollar still gaining strength. It just had 2.7 and yen at 5.2. So I wouldn't fuck with it just yet. Unless you want to just go in early, going small.
Only way I will buy this if we get a fake out to the downside of this consolidation right now that we in on the 1 hour. If we get a fake out down to 151, like 10, I would probably buy that just to
Oh, I see.
be a fake,
Yeah.
and then it go trade. Then I'll be early. I'll be buying downhill while the price is still in consolidation.
I think that's a little too early on the buy though. The structure ain't there. That's a pretty much a straight line down. You know what I'm saying? Like I would need to see way more structure than that. Like yeah, you were being early as fuck. I see the demand area. I see it. You know, I see the support and demand, but it just ain't no structure. That's a long ass line to grow over. I mean, it
Yeah,
could be a
setup ain't there yet. Now what I
yeah.
know, this 4 hour could be an engulfing, but we still got 3 hours left to go.
But
So
look at that last damn candle though. That shit ain't nowhere. If it engulfed that ain't shit though compared to that big ass one. So it's like
you talking about
it
this?
could. Hell yeah,
No, I'm talking about this candle. It's going to engulf this.
I know, but that engulfing ain't gonna. That don't mean shit when you got that big ass one right there.
Oh, that mean a lot. That mean clean traffic. We call that clean traffic. That's what it can trade into. It ain't got nothing. It ain't. It's gonna trade all the way up, and it's gonna stop right here. That's what that means. I
I
love that.
mean,
I
but
love.
it also mean that was a big ass sell off, and that might continue too on the flip side. So
But that's what makes me get in. When I get my bullish engulfing, I go with
no,
that.
it's definitely the best upside risk to reward for a buy. But like
Clean.
I said, the structure ain't there.
I love them big sell-offs. That mean we gotta. It's like that rubber band. You pull it back far enough, that bitch gonna pop out far enough. You feel me? So
Yeah,
we
that's true. That's
bounce back.
definitely true.
It's the rubber band
But
and come back. Everything come back to a median. You know, if this is the median, shit gonna come back. It's gonna create a high up here.
it's definitely a bottom. It's definitely a bottom for sure. But
It's like
like
on a daily.
I ain't in that business no more. That's too much on the predicting side. Like I need to see
Yeah,
that shit. I'd rather be late than early. Put it like that. I realized that. I wrote that in my notes.
right.
Cause I was like, if you late, you could always just add that to your the difference to your take profit. You can. Like say if you off by 10 pips from your entry, you drew down 10 pips and then you finally start going up. You could just get that back on your take profit. You know, instead of like trying to get in early before the setup is verified or before it's showing you confirmation and structure. That's just what I rather be late and get that little money than to get in early and risk losing that whole trade. You know, I'd
Right.
rather take a little small take profit. And because these strategies, I'm figuring out how to, get my increase my average basically I'm looking to decrease my average losses. So I gotta strategically cut sooner or just take better entries.
Mm-hmm.
Like even if I'm just getting fucking 2 pips, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather get a 1 to 2 pip than to take a fucking 3-4 pip loss, 5-10 pip loss. You know what I'm saying? Like
Right.
a 20 pip loss. I take 1 pip pot, and sometimes you got to make those calls. Like if your trade setup really not perfect, and you'll see after you enter, sometimes you just need to get out there early and just reset. You trying to hold on to a position that you see is weak, that costs you a lot of money. When you knew that shit was when you saw the first pullback, you like, damn, this shit kind of pulled back far. Like you be knowing when it's time to get out, but we be trying to hold it. Usually, it's not a good time to hold. It's not good to hold.
Squeeze all that juice out the lemon. That's what niggas be trying to do.
Huh?
That
Yeah,
nigga,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
you know, yeah,
Yeah, you don't need to get every little drop.
no,
You
fact.
know,
Just go get a.
sometimes like you got a lemon that was already squeezed. Sometimes like so.
All you gotta do is just go get another lemon. Simple as that.
Yeah, right. Wait till the harvest. Just wait,
Not a lemon's grown. Just go get another one.
and you're gonna have 10 more if you just wait. But if you try to get it now, you barely got one.
Right.
So that's the choice. You could wait for 10, or you could try to share this one with 10 people. You know what I'm saying? So, like you said, though, that greed, man, greed and risk go right together. Like,
Mhm.
if that position looking shaky, fuck. I mean, a stop loss is a stop loss, but like if I'm in a position and I see the opposite call, like if I see a play that I would take going against me, like I get in on a whatever bullish engulfing or something, and I see a bearish engulfing while I'm in the trade,
Yeah.
like that would make a nigga get out. Nothing else though. Not price coming too close to only actual structure.
Right.
Like if it's just ranging back and forth to my shit, that's cool. But if I see an actual setup, an opposite setup, I gotta exit. I usually don't see that though, and I usually wouldn't exit. But you know, on the Hockenazes for sure. As soon as the color change, I just get out. I'm not even playing with it. I'm looking for them 4 hours to go 10 candles. Like I'm trying to find that 40 hour. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what the fuck I'm looking for. Or even the hour chart to go 10 candles, all one color. Let me get that 10 hour run up. Like, yeah, shit working out.
Shit.
Shit is working out.
Work out.
I even combined the Hockenazes with the EMA cross. So, what the fuck is that?
Them bitches working double time.
Right. Wait, what the fuck? I hit a buy down here instead of a sell? You motherfucker.
Bro, what is you doing?
Oh, no. I did hit a sell. I did. But
This
why is not 383? What is this? That is a fucking buy. Oh, man. Crack account shit. I added a position, but I added in the opposite direction.
oh,
Fuck.
hell no. Can't be doing that.
Yeah, man. Let
I
me
would
take this
say,
bitch off. Fuck. And that bitch ran up 100% of the other position. So,
man,
yeah, you got to be careful, man. I
gotta be.
got the confirmation thing on. So you don't want to do that one tap order and shit. Take that shit off. You don't want that easy tap because you could just press the wrong button and be entered. I put the confirmation on. I make them say, "Are you sure you want to enter this trade?" Yes, I'm sure, and I keep that on because sometimes, nigga, like sometimes I didn't close the position that was negative by mistake. Nigga, fat fingers and shit. Fuck this though. Damn, I had to double up. Nah, I just lost 100%. Hopefully, market pull back right quick. See if I could break even on this bitch. It's just a little $3 position, but still.
Damn.
I'm up 4, and then I would have been up another 4 because I added. But instead, I'm down. I'm
So
down.
you
I'm
click
up 4 and down 4.
the wrong button and you got one click on? You got that one tap shit on?
No, I got that off. I confirmed it in every. I just didn't look. I just didn't pay attention.
Okay.
Yeah, I just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I got to take this loss. I had to close it. But fuck, I'm scared to add back to it now because I don't want the market to pull back. Let me take the Hawk and Nazi. See, I ain't gonna lie, that Hawk take all the fear.
Mm-hmm. When you believe in that shit, it ain't scary no more. That shit all work out. Mm-hmm. trying to reach 2. %. Yeah.
Damn. UJ?
Right.
You called that bitch. Who's that at? That's a breakout, my man.
Ain't done yet. It's only 42 minutes in this hour. It ain't closed yet. Gotta wait till the fat lady done singing.
Oh, 42 minutes? Yeah, that bitch.
That's an early.
Reverse like a motherfucker. Nah.
Nah, for real.
That's why I like that last 15 minutes is the one. Not the first one. The second one. And the fourth one.
Yeah. Look at AUD. Said I'm done playing with y'all hoes. What's the dollar doing? Going up like a motherfucker. Rejecting that 106. But we go above. Somebody racing. Man, that bitch racing.
Nigga say the bitch is racing.
Got a V8.
It's still some bullshit. So for them bitches to come all the way back to the entry. See, fuck those entries. Come all the way to these entries.
Turn your car down.
That nigga was sitting on the damn hood, boy. He got the engine with the hood up. He ain't got no hood on his car. The engine, that thing loud as fuck. They got a V8 engine. Loud as fuck. Stupid ass in a Corvette without the hood on it.
That nigga probably laughing his ass off.
Oh, for real.
That bitch sound like it was breezing in the wind.
No.
The hair out.
Like that nigga trying to get over in the other lane, stupid ass. You know.
Let your hair down, my nigga.
Oh man.
Nigga say he was trying to get over the other lane on some Houston, Dallas shit.
Nah, for real.
Them niggas drive crazy as hell out that bitch.
Right. Houston. That's if you want to race, go to Houston, nigga. They got a race every hour on the highway, bitch. You just find something.
Yeah, them 2-to-1s come easy as fuck on the crack account.
Mm-hmm.
You just ain't gotta make all that. You ain't gotta do all that. Like 10 20 pips is you happy with that. Like that's you actually satisfied with what you got. Like Oanda make you devalue pips. Like, you know what I'm saying? You be like, these 50 pips ain't shit. It took me 16 days to get it. Shit.
That's insane.
Nah, Bitcoin don't pull back now, bitch.
What is doing?
I don't know. I'm just looking at my portfolio for real. Just looking at the numbers. That's why I don't even be checking the charts sometimes. When I got all these positions, I just be watching.
It's gonna pull back to 94,000.
That's where it's at now.
No, I'm talking about 94,000 flat, like right at that number. Watch.
Oh no, I'm tripping. I'm at 94.0.
That's where it's gonna settle at.
That's why I bought at 94.
To be exact, 93,000 and 9,900. Right up in that range. That's what's gonna pull back. It's gonna tap. That's gonna be another good buy.
60 diamonds
I'm calling
on
it.
the pre-date.
I'm calling. What's next? What you want to know? NAS 100. Stay in.
Yeah. All right, cool. They're actually working out right now too. Thanks. What about US 30? Hold this buy.
I would say stay in sales on NAS, but depending on where you get out, I would probably look to get out if it start to creep back. If it close above 20,840.
Hell yeah. That's 100 units. I ain't gonna be nowhere around that bitch by that.
Oh, that's if you entered like at New York highs or London highs. You probably got.
Nah, my stop loss is at stop loss. Oh yeah, you are 29.50.
Right.
29.50.
Yeah, but not
I
sales.
take profit at 26.50 though.
I
So
would
about
say,
100 down.
yeah, I would definitely be looking to take profits right now, especially with the fact that it only took these last 2 hourly candles to trade all the way down where it's at. Like that's a lot. Usually, it'll retrace from.
That's well, see, that's the thing. Nash, you can't look at that like AU. Like this shit move in one direction. Like that's just what it do. The speed, it always move in one direction like that. So you can't really say that it's gonna because it did that, it's gonna pull back. Not necessarily. But I do see them swing lows. I like that. I see that kind of like a trend line. But that's an upward trend line. That's a bullish trend line from the lows and from the highs. Kind of that shit an uptrend. Yeah, I'm talking about all the way from that bottom, from that second, third bottom.
What down here?
Yeah, the first that one. Yeah, there all the way. Yeah, that trend line. It's around here according to that. Yeah, so it did reverse technically already. Oh, and I'm in on that sale. So cool.
US 30. Yeah,
That's going
I think that's
up,
gone.
huh?
US 30 got
At least it was.
the left, nigga. I would hold that. US 30, you in buy?
What, a buy?
Hell yeah, I would hold that for the long term. Like you ain't got.
Mm.
I'm looking at the 4 hour. Let me see the day. Yeah, nigga, look at the daily. You in space. It ain't no price action. Like hold that shit for sure. Hold that. Let a candlestick pattern take you out of that.
Oh, well, that's always US. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, sometimes it ain't shit to look left to, you know, on these indices because they just go up. They always constantly push
Nas
new
Nas
highs. It's
don't
a
look
trend
at
in the
in
market.
this US 30 though. Nas kind of got like a little range. Like it got a little high in the top, bottom and top that you can see on the daily. That's not the case on US 30. You can't see shit. It's like it's all
Yeah,
time.
it's at an all-time high.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I would hold that. Yeah, for the long term.
yeah, I'm gonna hold that. Let me
Ride
see what
that
my stop
wave.
at.
Ride
I
wave.
mean, I hold it. I ain't going no past 2-3%. I don't give a fuck what the fuck it look like. If I draw down 2-3%, I gotta get out of there. Looking good right now though. Wait, I took profit or something? What happened? Did talk about drawdown? Wait, what the fuck? I got stopped out on that. Oh, that second position I bought, I guess. Fuck.
Boy, boy, you be tripping. That nigga be like, wait, what happened? Like
It be moving, son. This should be moving.
he said that shit like another person controlling your account and they didn't inform you that they sold that business. Like you be like, wait, what happened? What you did?
I could be having to make sure on these crack accounts, nigga. You never know.
Oh my god, that should be
Gotta
funny.
check. Make some noise or something. Give me a signal or some shit.
That's what I said, boy. You gotta have that screen up, nigga. Whatever, like that bitch need to be up. No, like up.
Wait,
Nothing.
what's going on? Cause I'm with Nas position sold. Cause I still got 2 positions open. I don't know what's going on with this shit.
Of it. You know how the crack accounts be closing portions of your account to save your equity.
Hey, market though. Nas many. Wait, oh, is this old? Wait. What times?
Nigga,
14. Oh, that's old, nigga. That's old. That was that one that I had to close cause I pressed the wrong button.
Oh,
No, I'm positive on both of them. But I got right back in with the direction, and that position up $2. That's the second one. So I got 2 of them back. That's how I be doing. I just be trying to go after if I lost 5 on the last trade, let me get 5-10 back on the next one. It's not revenge trading. It's really just risk management. Like I'm trying to, I'm going after my losses. And if I've done that, now I'm trying to lower my overall loss, get that back type shit. Get that down to the next 100 or whatever. My weekly losses. I'm trying to, catch that if I'm down on the week.
I wouldn't put too much focus on trying to catch losses. Just continue to trade your game. You go catch losses regardless, but don't put too
Oh
much.
yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, what's the purpose of it though? I gotta have goals. Well, technically, my goal is 10% of whatever I start off with a day. That's my first goal. So that's first. Now, of course, that's gonna help me get towards the losses. Like if I'm winning, I ain't no losses to catch. But I mean, that's just like business. Like if you did 10% this month, you trying to do 15, 20 next month. It's just a goal. You know what I'm saying? You might not hit it, but that's what you're aiming for. Like the goal is always to get better. And or if you had a down month, you got to go get that. You got to go make up for it. Like in basketball, nigga, you got to get back on D. You went down there, missed a wide open layup, nigga. If you don't get your ass back on D, you can't be talking about, oh man, and this and that, and trying to get a foul and shit, nigga. You miss, go back. Like pouting and shit, niggas throwing the ball down court, about to score again on your ass. Like you gotta keep your head in the game.
Continue to play your game. Look at the points are coming.
Yeah,
It'll come back.
Right. Nah, you right. Yeah.
That's a
I don't
byproduct.
get off my game no more. I didn't took enough loss. I lost 1,000 in a day, nigga. It don't get no worse than that. Like I know how it could be, and that I don't none of that shit. Just that was just all over leveraging. All my lots, all my shit I took today, same lot size. Like I'm not increasing that bitch. I'll double my lot size when I double my account. That's about it. But until then,
That's a small way to do it.
yeah, it's a mathematical way to do it. Like why would you double if you ain't double?
Because if you lose that bitch, you gonna lose twice as more.
Exactly. So that if you double your account, that pretty much Nash selling off for sure. Let me see if US30 doing. I'm just in Nash. Bitcoin came back. It didn't go to that what you call them area. Look like good. Is that 94? But what gold doing? I'm just trying to catch what I could catch today. I ain't gonna lie. I'm back excited about sports betting though. I ain't gonna lie. Cause all of this technical shit and number shit over here, it got me like that sports shit ain't nothing.
I'm kind of done with that shit on the cool.
Yeah. No parlays though. Well, 2-leg. That's the thing. I'm done with anything more than a 2-leg parlay. That's for sure. I don't even want it. I don't care how many thousands I could get. I don't want it. I'm looking at pure probability, like singles and doubles. Like that's it. That's it. And I don't care about sports, so I'm not attached to it. You know what I'm saying? So it's just money for me. Like I'm not attached to none of the teams, none of the niggas. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just purely looking at probability.
Right.
I don't have no biases, not to the Saints or nothing. But I just don't bet the Saints. I don't bet for them or against them, just so I could, not even, I don't want to be influenced by that.
Yeah.
You never supposed to bet your favorite your favorite teams or players that you like for real. That's what I would suggest, because you're gonna be biased.
Dollar. What are you doing? You are going up.
Big money. I like it.
Come on, man. Dollar need to get back above 106.50. Get back above.
Okay, Bitcoin. Bust the 95 then.
Back below the 2024 old year high.
Scoob, you kind of quiet over there, young man. I know your call was loud, but
Man, fuck you.
wait. Nigga 6 said you ain't got no roof, no hood. I ain't even say that. I just said mute your call. Goddamn, dog, what I did.
That nigga got a Hellcat without the hood over the end.
No, I know what it is. Gold must be down. Let me check.
Man, this bitch selling so hard.
What you long on gold?
Hell yeah, this that bullshit. That bitch started dropping hard for no reason, bro. No
Nope.
reason
Oh,
whatsoever.
you right. I see it. Damn, the high just changed on the hour. Yeah, you
Like
go
that
to the
bitch dropped
15.
hard from the top, bro. Like how you make a new high and then go make a new low, like a new low. Like fuck the old low.
Yeah,
That bitch made a new high and then swung and said, "Fuck all that. I'm about to go all the way back to the bottom." Type shit.
It
Like,
swept 2 areas basically. But
I mean, look at structure too. Look where it reversed at. You gotta look at structure. So it did it for a reason. It ain't do it for no reason. It did it.
no, I peeped that.
no,
I
that was a
like,
huge ass
damn,
candle
though.
though.
Still,
That
bitch.
bitch was huge.
Still though, it's like, damn, you ain't had to do all that.
Look at that, and it crossed 50% of that big ass drop. Like to damn that to
Man, fuck that. That bitch ain't do that when it dropped. You heard me? When that bitch dropped against that motherfucking that buy, they ain't do that.
Hey, the numbers don't lie. All I'm saying, numbers don't lie.
No, that was a huge ATR move for sure. That was definitely probably about
That fucking
two
sell was
some
the biggest
ATR
fucking move that bitch made forever. And that bitch,
in
I ain't never
days.
seen nothing buy up like that, bro. It's only the sales, bro. Only sales drop like that. That should be crazy, bro.
Well, that's because niggas was took profit. Somebody niggas was taking profit up there.
Yep. And what you think they're doing with their profit? Where it's going?
Shit, they might put it right back.
No, it's going to Bitcoin. That's where it's going. Look at Bitcoin.
Oh, cause yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, Bitcoin. Let's go.
Profits from gold and putting it into
And putting it
Bitcoin.
out. Yeah, that's definitely what's happening.
What you don't need to worry about is as long as gold don't close below 26.26 as far as structure,
Right.
don't worry about this. This is enticing people to get in the sale. This also scaring buyers to get out the market. So that's what they want you to do. They want you to be pissed off.
Yeah, just not. I told you, nigga. I been got out that bitch. That's why I use Hakenazis, bro. I'm not about this.
Depending on how we reject this price, it's probably gonna be people buying gold right now.
I'm looking to buy right now. They got
Like,
shit. I'm looking for a buy entry.
how the bank's looking at it and everybody else, they taking profit and putting that
Yeah.
shit right in the fucking Bitcoin. Real gold to digital gold. Digital gold to real
Nah,
gold.
actually, I like this area right here. I like this 238. That's why I got in at first. Hell yeah, let me get back. That was my last night entry. That big came way back to my end. Yeah. I love when I catch that. I'm like, oh shit, second opportunities. And I took profit. Yeah, man. That's what I was just saying. You can't be like biased to these shits. Like anything
Yeah,
can
that
happen.
should
That's why
happen all the time.
I keep me a fucking 2-3% stop loss. Fuck that. Like my stop loss is gonna be $5, nigga. However, if it go past that, it shouldn't go past that because I'm gonna look at my area. I'm gonna make that area equivalent about $5 or 3%, some shit like that. And that's all I'm giving it. If it break that area, I don't want it. If anything, so what I'll do that, and I'll put if I'm buying and whatever my stop loss is, I'm gonna put a sell stop right under that. You feel me? So when I get stopped out, if it keep going while I'm entering that sell, because if it go to that area, that's a reversal area. So it's a bit of a revenge move, I guess, but it's really just a market structure too. Because the truth is,
Barely off that hoe. Sold out. Yeah, that's a fake move. I think, my boy. I think you good on gold.
a dead lane golf, yeah.
I think that was it could have engulfed it, but it did. I mean, I know the numbers is numbers, but that I think that's a fake sell off.
Yeah, I think so too. That's why I'm still in the bitch. I'm just sitting there like, damn, though, bitch. You ain't had to do me that fast like that. God damn.
Yeah, but I say you
Oh, you ain't got no stops, my G.
it probably would have been a good point to add
Nigga, I have stopped.
unless it.
Oh, okay. Well, fuck it. If you gotta stop, fuck it. It's all part of it.
Add to
Shit
them
can be peaches and cream all day.
peaches and cream.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind some peaches and cream right now.
Nah, nigga, like that shit sound good.
He wants
Six
something.
with the singing and everything. You like, sounds appetizing.
Dude, yeah, because these markets ain't appetizing right now.
All you down too. All you down, big. Shit, they advertising for me. I'm having one of my best days. Fuck, finally. Shit.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah. I think I do got some kind of luck around Thanksgiving. My best casino win came on a Thanksgiving day. I was in that bitch like 2020 or 2019 actually. Right boy, I went in that bitch and plucked their ass on the back of our table. I left out that bit about 1,500. All I came in was like 200-300. I went stung their ass. Everything was working.
I'm gonna say this though, gold probably still possibly has the potential to drop all the way to like 26.30, 26.35. So just FYI, it could drop that low. So don't be scared of that. I would, if I was you, I would look at the smaller time frames.
I got a sell stop at 26.35, and I got that take profit at 26.15. So that's the bottom I see, 26.15. If
Now,
it go below that,
I'm gonna tell you this: on these gold buys, if this 4-hour bearish closes engulfing, I would definitely look to get out of buy and wait for another setup.
Most definitely.
If you get a
But it's
4,
only the first. That's the whole fucking key. It's only the first hour, so it's like that bitch got 3 hours to do whatever the fuck.
well, you should be cool then, because that you should be confident in that. But the 4-hour is red. It just switched to red on the Hockenotch, and the hour just switched to red, and it's a sell setup. So that's a sell entry for me in 18 minutes. That's all I'm saying. You know, a heavy one too. That's the hour chart. That's a strong signal. I would get out.
closing buys, I would be ultimately waiting for that 4-hour to close. That was
I get out and look for a re-entry, or just put that stop. Just get that, set your stop, and just get ready for the crash, nigga.
close all the way back up here. Fuck, it could do whatever. It's gold. Like, it could do whatever the fuck it wants to.
My sales stop at 26.35, so that's when I'm hopping into sales. Damn, that's crazy. That's literally where the price dropped to. A good thing it didn't get me in though. That bit pulled back. Shit. Oh, you know what? If it would have got me, I would have actually got stopped out. It would have been a perfect buy, but I went with the sell stop. Damn.
Yeah, that's what I said. I look to add buys when it comes to 26.35.
That would have been a perfect buy. I put a sell stop, but it did not hit. Like if I show you this shit, you're gonna be like, wow.
Yeah, I would be selling right there. I would be trying. If you were selling would have been at 26.50. That would have been sales up there.
Yeah.
That's sales. Catch it on the 1 hour probably.
26.55. See, them numbers matter. Every little pip matter on gold. You gotta call the exact pip. You ain't no rounding up with that shit, nigga. Cause it only move about 20 a day or some shit. Whatever. 40. I don't know. Scoober, what do you say, Scoober?
Well, I'm just holding this bitch until like probably this hour close. If this bitch don't give me no up push by the end of this,
No, it already done pushed up.
that's what I'm saying. If it don't go up after this hour,
It can look like it's about to pull back 50%. So
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm looking for. So if it don't do that, yeah, I'm out. Cause
I would say wait till at least give it the next hour like 15 minutes and see what it do. Cause it definitely looked like
I'm gonna give it like 5-15. It depends on how it's moving. Like if
I
that
think
bitch
you're gonna
really
be
starts
alright.
dropping some more, I'm gonna get out that bitch because I ain't got time. I'm gonna just reposition I ain't about to lose my motherfucking money like that. Fuck that, bro. Cause that's crazy,
Nah,
bro.
but
I
the
woke
move
up
was to get out at 10.
50
I
something,
mean,
yeah.
when this hour closed, that's an exit. Cause it's red. It's a red entry sell on the hop. I might even go hop in the sell after this hour. I'm really not though, cause I'm up and I'm shit working. The directions I've been choosing is good, so I'm keeping it like that. Bitcoin up. I don't never catch a Bitcoin play. I finally caught one. Shit. So I'm grateful. Yeah, I got Bitcoin 1,000. I got it at 94 hard. That bitch at 95.5. So I'm looking good. I got $15 off that 0.01. So yeah, with a 0.1, that'd been $150 right there. 150. And I paid 7 cents for the 0.01, so I would have paid 70 cents to make 150, bro. And the margin I needed for this, I would have needed $94 margin.
Oh shit.
Man, just wait, man. You got 15 minutes left, man. Wait for that hour to close.
No, this that bear shit.
Niggas.
It's that bear shit now.
You ever saw bear shit before? For real?
Fuck no.
Nigga say that's too close.
I
If
seen
I
him
can see his shit, that mean he ain't far away. I
there.
don't have no reason to be around one of them.
I need this
Nah,
dollar to
my
keep
cousin, that
dropping.
nigga
Fuck
live in
what y'all
Florida
talking
now.
about.
They be having bears in their backyard and front yard and shit. They got nothing but bears in Florida. Nigga, they just be walking around.
He dropping.
Huh?
My bad, brother. Nigga in that bitch get killed.
Oh, it's all good.
This is a motherfucker.
Oh, you want the dollar keep dropping, man? What you mean?
Huh?
I said, why you want the dollar keep dropping?
Cause nigga, I'm going for gold, nigga. I need $1. At least give me some help. Fuck.
I mean, the dollar ain't got shit to help your ass with, man. Gold independent.
Hey, that's cool.
Nah, when
The
that dollar
dollar,
go down, they do push it a little. The dollar
I
drop.
give it whatever the fuck I can take.
You need to tell people in Bitcoin to start taking profit and move their money back in.
I ain't taking shit. I'm waiting for the 100K again. 100K gang. See what niggas be getting euphoric like a motherfucker over this Bitcoin shit.
I mean,
Back and forth.
it's looking right for it. That motherfuckers.
It started at what, 93 today? What it opened at? 92, I think.
Yeah, about 93, 93.5.
So 93 plus 3, 96. Yeah, that's what we at right now. 93.5, 96.5. So we got another
That's the fucking
1,000 to go. Another 1,000 to go. That's probably gonna be taking profit at $3,000. One ATR, baby.
Watch the gold push all the way up your ass got out.
You
You
heard
got
me.
out?
That's gonna be that nerve, boy.
I'm in that bitch, boy. I ain't getting out, boy. I got stop losses. Fuck this money.
Your nuts on them,
I'm
man.
I'm waiting for that hour to close too, though. Still, if that bitch give me enough pullback for that hour, I'm good. I'm just waiting.
All I gotta say is, if y'all boys don't use these Hakanashis, y'all asleep. That's all I'm saying.
I'm not gonna use Hakanashi. I'm gonna always use candlestick.
Well, put your Z's on. Hit the Z and hit the Z sound effect. Hit the snoring.
I love a good rest when I'm in profits.
Hey, bro, I'm all I'm saying is I never got entries so easy in my life. I'm like,
I feel the same way about candlesticks.
it's the same shit. It is a candlestick. It's just averaged out. That's it.
Right.
Exactly the same. They're exactly the same. I still see highs, lows, structure. Right. I don't get that same in golfing, but you know, I don't need it. I see two. All I'm saying is, bro, this shit work. That alone, if you're gonna trade Forex along with them currency heat wave shit, because knowing the sentiment and the strength, that's what I learned this week. You got to look at sentiment and the strength together. See, just looking at strength, like that's how, like right now. Let's see, the yen will be stronger than the dollar, but the dollar still be stronger, like on a chart. And I'm like, why is that? And that's because if the sentiment is stronger, basically sentiment outdoes strength. Like if most of the people are selling, It have nothing to do with the strength. But eventually, once people see that strength, they're gonna switch their bias. You see, and then that change sentiment. Now you got the sentiment and the strength on your side. That's when you want to get in. You need sentiment and the strength. Like yen is 6.4, dollar is 1.1. Yen is 75% bullish, dollar is 70% bearish. So the yen got the strength and the sentiment. So UJ sell. Simple. And then once you combine that with the Haki Nazis, you just waiting for the red. It's just that simple, bro. This shit work every time. When I used to use Hawks, it would work. When I used to use the Forex shit, it would work. I just got away from it thinking, oh, I don't need this, I don't need that. But it's extra tools, bro. Those tools help. We can't see everything. You literally You can't even see sentiment. The charts don't show you sentiment. You know, the charts don't show you the strength of the currency. So little twos and shit like that help. That's an indicator as far as I'm concerned. It's just not on my chart. You know, but like, bro, the proof is in the pudding. Like, this shit working. Like, and it always did work. I just didn't exclusively, and I wasn't perfecting the setup and shit. But you could just use the hawk with the crossover or the hawk with the RSI.
Right.
Like, I was looking at the RSI, that they definitely, those two, that's all you need. Because if I basically, I want to see a red Hawkinashi with, if it's so like anywhere from 80 down to 60. If it's RSI 80 down to 60, I'm definitely entering, maxing out. Give a fuck what happened. I'm maxing leverage because I know this market is about to come down, and I just got the signal on the Hawkinashi. I don't need nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing. I don't care about price history, price act, none of that. I would purely go off those two indications. Yes. Yep. London closing at 10. Wait, what? London closed at 10 or 11?
Run that shit up.
Hell yeah. Why London closed at 10? I thought it closed at 11. It said that bit about it. Did they closing early today? I guess they closing early today. So some volume about the London closing in 8 minutes. So I don't know if it's earlier they always did, but some volume about to leave the market. So
I'm sitting here with the fucking plank on, bitch. I know you see me.
even that Bitcoin play, like I said, I never catch Bitcoin positive just from looking at candles and shit like that. But as soon as I use the Hawkinashi, I didn't caught 1,000, 1,500 units.
Right.
Like, I'm just saying, like my entries have been so fucking good today. Like, I'm about to count how many trades I made. I made quite a few, not a lot, but like I know I'm like 70% today,
Nice.
and my profit is even better. Like,
That's what's up. You locked in.
I ain't 70% profit, but I'm definitely oh, what do you know? I'm right at my target. Exactly. Hold on. Hold the fuck on.
Get out the market.
Yep. Let's get out of here. Let's get out. Wait, oh damn, I closed my Bitcoin position by mistake. Ain't that something?
Bro, you is all over the place.
No. Like,
What he
no, I
done?
did close it by mistake. Like, but it took profit. That's what happened. That's what I'm like, what the fuck? Because this shit I'm like, how is that shit? It when they take profit on this trade lock and shit, it makes a sound as if you press the button, like it went that poo poo. Like you pressed it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so they be throwing the nigga off. I'm like, wait, whoa. And then it close and they say take profit. And close. I'm like, what's going on? But I guess my take profit just hit. That's all. Ain't that something? Soon as I was about to close it. Like, so that's how you know. And I wasn't even looking at the charts. I hit my daily target, my 10%. I'm out. I'm gonna let this hour close. That's it. I'm out.
Dollar is dropping.
Not these indices though. I kind of want to sit in gold though. I ain't lying. But I'm not in it. Oh, there you go, Scoob. Right, you back, huh?
Just waiting, brother.
You
I'm on
ain't back.
Being patient as usual.
Oh, right.
Been holding this shit for 2 days at this point, for a day. Holding this shit for a day.
I'm about to put a buy stop at the top at 2660. I'm gonna get in up there. If it go up there, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna buy a minimum unit.
Hold on, something. If it go,
Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna hop in there. Cause basically I want to buy on the hour. It still below the 100. That's why you getting all of this resistance and all of this bearish shit going on. Cause they ain't crossed that 100. So I'm gonna put in a buy stop. Huh?
that bitch went to, like you said, went to a significant area. What blew me though is that bitch closed above that 8 hour. Nice, that 50 on the 8 hour. That bitch just went engulfed the whole 8 hour. It just closed above the 50 on. Like, bitch, what the fuck?
Well, no. See, just because it closed above it, that sometimes that's a pullback. Like sometimes if price is respecting that area, it'll go above it a little bit, but that don't mean
Right,
it's bullish.
right,
You
right,
see what I'm
right.
saying? You
Yeah,
gotta,
yeah.
it has to consolidate above it. If I actually see just price
Yeah,
just breaking it, unless that next candle do the same thing, it's not really a strong signal. You
right,
want
right,
price
right.
to consolidate above it, and then you want to basically use that EMA as a support. But see, long as it's still on the side of resistance, it's not bullish yet. Like until that to that EMA, if it's under the EMA and they go above it, you still have to wait for the retest for that EMA to be, instead of resistance, you want it to turn into support, and that's when you buy into it. So on a 1 hour, it just closed above it, like on the high cannot. I mean, on the 4 hour, it just closed above it on the 4 hour. So this next 4 hour gonna tell a lot. We need another close above that 100 on the 4 hour, and then it'll be more bullish. But the price point I'm looking at, I want it. I like 2660. No, 26. Honestly, I like 2665, 26. I like 2690. If it get above 2690, pretty much anywhere from 2660 to 2690. I like all those areas for buys. So I like that whole little range for buys, and the top is at 27. Let's say 2710. That's the target. 2710. That's that all-time high area. So I definitely want to, it looked like it went there, and now it's retracing back up. It retraced, now it's coming back up. That little candle fucked up structure hella, but that's just gonna be a wick. If you measure the closes,
We got one more minute. See what this
so the 30 minute is consolidating above the 100. So that's something you could look at if you want confidence, but it's just right above it. Actually, that's what it did. It rose above the 100 and it pulled right back to the 100, and now it's trying to go back up. So it looked like the 100 is supporting on the 30. You need that same thing to happen on the hour. It didn't even cross on the hour yet. So that's what happened. It rejected the hour like a motherfucker, like hard. That's what happened. It rejected that hour 100 EMA. Yep, that's what happened. But I like gold. Just the Yeah, we just still got to get back from that pullback. On the day chart, it went to the 100 as well. Oh no, that's the 4 hour. My bad.
Mm,
It's,
mm, mm.
yeah, you well
This
above the
hour
100 on the
is
day
crazy.
chart. So the one you got to worry about is that 4 hour on the 100 on the 4 hour. Like it retraced, it pulled back to it and rejected it. Now it's trying to come back up, but it still could close below it. So
like I said, do not be scared if price comes back down to 2635. If it rejects it, I would probably look to add buys. That's me.
yeah, I'm about to. With that being said, I just took off my sell stop at that area because it's just too much of a point of interest. So
Yeah.
I want to wait for confirmation right there.
Markets have to pull back. They don't go straight up in one direction.
I like this area right here for buys though. With a hate to say it, tight stop, but I'm gonna put my
Right.
stop at the
It's not a
bottom.
bad spot. That bitch just need to find his way back the fuck up.
Nah, but I definitely would. I like this area in at 2605.
The
This
bottom.
is
That's what I said. This is the bottom. Let's go. Most like I don't really trade gold, but just following how I trade the charts, most likely it's with this wick and with momentum selling on. Most likely it's gonna come right back down to about 26.35, and if it
yeah,
rejects,
because that 9 o'clock on the 30 minute that wick
you
that's gonna be
add
a swing low most likely.
36, 26.40. You can add more gold buys.
At in 30 minutes, if this low, if they don't make no low lower than 26.35, I'm buying because that's a swing low, and I buy swing lows, especially in the bull trend. That's a setup for me. So I'll just wait for the candle to turn green on blue on the 15, and then I'm gonna get in after that happen. That's how I hit my confirmation. So I look for something. When that happen, I look for something else, and then I get in. I don't just look for one thing no more. You know, that's the impulsive shit. Oh, it crossed over. Oh, let me buy it. Nah, nigga, wait. Let this shit form, you know?
Right.
Better late than never.
I'm about to stop looking at it. Yeah. Just let me know if some crazy shit
Okay.
happens.
I'm looking at it for you, nigga. We got one more hour on live. We're gonna wrap it up at 11.
Shit, I'm about to hop all this bit now. I'm done for the day. Holla.
Done.
See what that
I
see what that
You had
got my target.
done made my money.
nah,
Nigga,
you had a
I
problem.
ain't getting paid to be on here. Nah, I'm just playing.
I'm done.
I am. I'm getting paid.
Nah.
Social equity.
So social equity.
Yeah, nigga, one of these clips fuck around and go viral. We gonna be good.
Man, that bitch need to hit 1 billion views, nigga, to be good.
Just keep clipping them bitches up. One of them gonna catch. The software that you use, do it allow you to like kind of select a certain area to clip or what?
Yeah,
Okay,
that is
so you
fire.
can listen to it before you just clipping them up.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
like
Cause some of them are there, just you just sit the
basically,
link and that bitch is just.
I set the meter to like only record like minute or like the hour 1:30 to 1:35, and I could just create clips out of that little time frame.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's fire.
I was gonna say another thing to do too. Some find a little app that do the timestamp for the YouTube videos. That way, even us, when we go back to the videos, we could go right to the time and know exactly what we was talking about, so we could, get to that topic. Like you could just click it, and you know how they'll jump
Yeah,
to it.
yeah,
Yeah, put that for show. That way, for archive purposes
right.
for the people and for us. But especially with 11-hour videos, nigga. Like, come on, who gonna watch that unless it's clipped up?
Yeah.
And that's the only reason they wouldn't. Not be just because it's 11, but because they don't know what's the good point. What's the, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot of sifting to do.
I already know. I already know.
Unless they just see good value in it, they'll do it. If they see the value.
Yeah.
All right.
Gold coming down here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that bitch
London
about to drop.
closed at
I might
10
as well
already.
fuck
They
this
must
shit.
have closed early. I don't know. Unless they always close at 10. Let me see.
I do not like this.
This is where
Not like this
yeah,
at all.
Man, I thought you said you wasn't looking at it. Don't look.
I got it up, nigga. If you looking at the live, looking at
You just
Go
said it.
drive.
Shit. I just finished driving. I drove through all of that bullshit and it's still down and it's still not looking good.
you gotta go try the Slidell. You'll be good.
You better stop holding when that shit. You stop being too damn confident in that shit. When that shit looking bad, I get out, nigga. Fuck that. There's always gonna be a re-entry. I'm not about to risk all my fucking money or give all my profit back. Waiting on that shit to see how far it's gonna pull back and waiting to see when. Fuck that. That fuck with my mental capital, nigga. I'm getting out. Call me pussy, call me whatever. I could always re-enter.
Nah, that's real. That's true.
I could always re-enter. I'm not about to
Nah,
play with that
facts.
shit, bro.
It
I'm not. When
depends
I see
on
the
when
momentum
and
switch,
what the
I'm not
opportunity
playing
look
with it.
like.
I'm not playing with that shit. I didn't switch my bodies 5 times a day, you know, on different pairs. And guess what? They all went profitable though.
I mean, even if you take all partial profits right now and just re-enter them same positions back when they get down to a low, if you feel confident enough, like you could do that too.
Nah, he gonna hold that bitch. I already know him though. He just talking shit, keeping it. And they gonna hold that shit to that stop hit.
Well, you'll stop at anyway.
Right?
Far as a motherfucker,
Well, it's under 2,600.
I don't know. Hold on.
That nigga said, I don't know.
Because that's the low. 2,605.
Yeah, it shouldn't be lower than that.
I mean, it all depends on where you enter that too.
Man, I got
That's
them
the
bitches. I
weekly
got one
low
at
too.
26.15, 26.26, 20, and I just fucking got a new
Oh, you
fucking
good. They not no huge ones, huh? That's gonna be more than 10% loss.
Hell yeah, I'm not holding all that, boy.
Oh shit.
So you got entries at 26.15 and 26.23.
No, that's what my stop loss. All my entries right here, the same fucking spot at 40. I had one at 37, but they just bring that bitch all the way down. I said, let me close this one out just in case. And then fucking, I just re-entered that bitch at 40 when it came back.
I got
But,
you.
well, no, I'm lying. At
Yeah.
43.
So you got your stop
43.
26,
Oh,
20,
my shit at 43 for real, huh?
26, 23, and 26.15.
26, 26, and 26.15.
Yeah, you good, nigga. Just hold that shit.
Yeah, you good.
If it rejects 26, 35, 34, and I would look to add, bro, right there. That's gonna be your best position on them buys.
Whoa, Nelly.
That's
Well, it's rejecting that right now, but I don't know about adding right there.
yeah, that's the best risk to it. Like if it rejects, if it go down there and it start rejecting right there, I would add up in there. That's me though. That's me.
You
That's how.
said 26.35.
Huh? Yeah, it already rejected.
I see that. But he already in heavy in multiple positions, so I wouldn't encourage him to add anything. You know, that's too close to his entry. Why add by your entry? That's not really, you know what I'm saying? That's
Entry. His entry is right where he break even right now.
I know. That's you
Nah,
don't
I'm
go
at
add right
43.
there.
I'm like a little below my shit.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
want to add
If
10 units, at least 10
you
pips up.
still believe it's bullish and you get rejections and a bullish engulfing, like why not add in a better entry?
The belief ain't got nothing to do with it though. What he believed don't mean shit. Don't make a difference. What he at is at 40. I wouldn't at least let price get to 50 before
But you
you
believe
add.
that it's going against you right
Right.
now, ain't you?
He got a stop loss set, so it don't matter what he believe.
Yeah,
You
you
see
good.
what I'm saying?
As I said, let that shit ride out. But
He
that's
obviously believed the market gonna go up if he in a buy, but
right.
that
That's why I would add. That's me. That's how I trade. I would add that shit.
yeah, I guess that go with your system. But like what I learned, I used to add when my shit was negative, positive, just all over. Whenever I felt it, right? But it's better to let price get in the profit first before you add. Like well in the profit, not 1-2
Be
pips. Like
honest.
get
Look at all the way G. Just I understand why he entered right there, but based on this 1 hour, like yeah, one of the probably better entries was Tuesday evening, afternoon. This 1 hour in golfing, and you had one during London and Tuesday. That was like early as hell, but pretty much that Tuesday morning was like the better entry for buys as far as on the coming back up. But I see why you enter where you enter that breaking out
my shit don't say.
that high.
Oh, my shit ain't got no the day of the week on it. What Tuesday was it? 25th?
Yeah, yesterday. 26.
Wait, yesterday? Wait, yeah.
That shit do look like it's coming at 26.30. Fuck.
You gotta lose something, man.
Put it like this. This right now is letting you know how powerful your entry was. That's all that's saying. Because if you entered down here at 26, 28, if that was your entry, you wouldn't be stressing about this shit.
All these entries was good. Yeah, 26 was the perfect. Well, actually, you ain't 26 28, like you said, 29. 26 30, that was the perfect. That was the best entry you was gonna
You
get
got
on this.
a pullback. Like you got a bullish engulfing at 26, 28, then you got market pull back right to that 26 and then continued up. Like you had double entry opportunities right there.
And that was also the hot at what that is at 8 p.m.
Yep.
Yeah, that was a hot position close.
It's still
Again, profit take.
it's still bullish as far as structure goes. I would say you just your entry was a little late, but me personally, if it's pulling back like this, depending on how leveraged you are on this trade, but that's me. I would look to add right there if you start to see rejection.
Depending on how leveraged you are, key thing. Like,
Yeah, if he got
because
all
I know him. I
if
know he risks
if
high, so
you
he
got
don't nearly need to add until he's up
trading,
already.
I want to just take a little.
Precisely.
You probably want,
Until you up, right?
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
because I
can't
mean, a
add
nigga
till
in
he
heavy
up. He
already.
risks 5-10% per trade, so like he can't add. When you risking that type of percent, you can you over margin. When what he gonna risk 20% in the trade? That's not smart. He can't add a penny to his shit.
All right.
If he 5-10%, it just no matter where it's at until he's well up. I would wait till I'm up 50 units before I add at that rate.
That's that cracker count shit.
Yeah.
I could do that in Oanda.
Yeah. Or now on the minis, the NAS mini, you could do that because you could go like penny per dollar, like so. But I'm sure he's dealing with lots, and I know how he trade and what sizes he use. So that's why I'm saying what I'm saying to him. You ain't saying nothing wrong though, but in his case, it is wrong
Right.
because he leverage heavy.
Right.
You risk it for the biscuit.
Nah, facts. That's the only way to come.
And that's
Nigga
what I'm
would.
doing more. I
Nigga
used
definitely
to
should
add,
have
but I'm
took
like,
profit
huh?
at that top. Because I had to be up like 400.
What
But
happened?
you didn't.
I said nigga should have definitely took profit at that top. I had to be up like 300-400.
What would have made?
Wait, that same position that I've been told your ass take the other day when I was like, it
No,
went up
like
3.
like
Huh?
Made you
right there at the top.
at the
Right
top?
there.
You know it was the top yet. Like what would have made you take profit up there?
Well, the reason I couldn't, that bitch went so fast, bro. That bitch dropped so fast. I just
I
wasn't
mean,
ready.
look at this hour close. Look at that first hour rejection. You would have got out right there at that hour close, or you would have been waiting for more price action.
Now I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Just be waiting to see, bro.
Right.
Waiting to see what? Yeah. I think with 6 saying, nigga, you need to have a target. Like you need to know the target.
Or you just need to look at look at
Well,
history, like see how I lined this up with structure and shit. And then not only that, this blue line, this is 50%
Yeah.
of
It's
this
showing you that's a rejection take profit area.
50% of this whole move. So that line, that blue line is right there alongside with this structure. So that kind of give you clue.
Resistance.
And if you get this red candle rejecting from this
That
area,
was the second
that's
signal to get the fuck.
enough to get out.
And
If
then
you
the
yeah,
next hour did it again. You was telling you to get the fuck. So it's like you just basically asking for it at this point.
right.
it's just
If you ain't looking at the chart, that's why you got to break these shits down. And
you wait to
I
see what
be trying to make my shit wrong. I be trying to like, how can I prove me wrong?
happened at 26.35 because it got a high probability coming back down now.
Yeah, that bitch broke my structure and everything. All type of shit that bitch did.
You got to get out, blood. When shit like that,
It's all good. I'll catch the
don't
next
go
one.
off intuition and feeling and hope and well, last time I did it and it came back, so I'm gonna try. Don't do that shit, bro. It just me personally when I do that, it brings me to a dark place.
Yeah.
And That alone is why you should. I ain't saying it ain't gonna come up or it's gonna go. I don't predict markets, me. I just look at what the fuck I see. I'm not in the business of predicting shit. So I don't know what the fuck market gonna do. But I know one thing: you had multiple signals that you had resistance and you had rejection. You got to get the fuck out. You can't just be like, well, I mean, it's you, it's your trade. You do what the fuck you want for real.
Right.
Hold that bitch until you got your stop. You got your take, probably. Boom. That's it, bro. We only getting on you because you probably like the only one left in the market or some shit.
Nigga, I'm still in the market. You mean?
Well, on gold, you the only one on gold, and that's the only thing that's kind of moving. I'm in Nash still. I got one running. It's still running. I'm still selling. I'm
I'm
over my target. I'm still in.
on the dollar.
But
I'm in UJ buys and AU sales, nigga.
you in UJ buys?
Yes, sir. I bought the tippy bottom, my nigga.
Okay.
The nigga said the tippy bottom.
The tippy top, not
Them
the
fucking
The tippy
swings.
bottom.
tippy bottom.
Oh, right now? You just bought it?
Nah, 151.11. That's what I got in there.
151. Oh, okay.
Right at the
Okay.
That
right.
shit I was looking
Oh,
for.
that's the one I was saying. Wait on instruction, huh?
I know.
Oh, cause you.
This shit.
I got it out right now. This what made me get in. I'm gonna keep it real. Look at my chart. I got UJ. Remember we was talking about this consolidation area. What I said
Yeah.
was I already saw it broke out to this downside. I said if it breaks
Right.
again and give
And
me a
reject.
rejection, I'm gonna get in by.
Uh-huh.
I had a buy
Yeah,
right
you looking for that bear trap.
and bam. Exactly.
You trying to get the bear trap. Yeah.
Exactly.
That's that bank trading right there. The smart money trade.
That's
Mm-hmm.
that's the same approach I'm looking at gold. Like, I was
And see how you got your take profit in line with that area. That's how you do. That's how you get the highest risk to reward. You look at the area where you want to target,
the
and
structure.
then you go put an order. You look for orders, and you say, "Well, fuck, this is 3-1. What can I enter?" You just put
My take profit is the structure. That's why I put my take profit,
That's
right?
what I'm saying. So you could automatic even before price move down there, right? You could say, okay, this structure, I want to target this structure with a 3-1. So as soon as price get down 3 times below that, you see what I'm saying? You just put your take profit right there. You could put an order in. You could put an order in before price get there. You see what I'm saying? You could target any area basically automatically with a 2-1.
That'll be five that just work out. I'm gonna keep it G. That was a good entry.
Huh?
I said that'll be five that bitch work out. That's a good entry I got on that.
Yeah, the risk to reward, fuck. And if it don't, it still was high risk to reward, so fuck it.
And that's why I be like on a trade like gold. If you reject this area, you got a good risk.
Right, you gotta get in. Cause
That
it ain't gonna come no lower.
if it don't work out, bam, instantly it's gonna work. You get out right here and just be and wait
What
for.
I do if it reject, that's when I'm gonna put a buy stop above that candle.
If it don't
That's
reject here, then it's gonna probably test these lows and maybe even probably come down and test this trend line, whatever the fuck you want to do. But it's probably gonna test these lows, and then you gonna have better opportunity for buys because
but
you got
just the fact that that trend line is negative like that, that's a downward trend line. Then that's
yeah,
bearish right there.
they already broke out right here, and it's just like it went way
Now
past.
that trend line is weird as hell because you got a high connected to a low, but you supposed to connect the high with the high. But I see it too. I used to do that shit. Or no, you got two highs. I see it. Them two highs connected, and you just
Yeah,
connected it. The third one, yeah, that kind of area.
I was waiting for a third one to connect.
But that high, I would put that high with that other high and use that as like a resistance. The support is basically horizontal. It's a breakout. Your support is down there where them swing lows is at. It's a line down there.
You talking about like this?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because that's what you do from the high to the one swing high to the next, and if it got lower, then that's lower lows.
Right, you're right. Yeah, this is a weak ass trend line. Yeah, I can agree to that. That is a weak
It's
ass.
dead already. It's like what is it really trying to show me? You know?
Yeah,
Yeah, I would put a horizontal around them swing lows and use that as the bottom. because you got that order block, but that order block is kind of a little far out. Like price could easily just reject it and continue without even touching it. Yeah.
Range.
I would pull it up to that next little area where them lows at. You see what I'm saying? Go back to that last chart. Go to what that was, hour to go back to that 4 hour to hour. Go, yeah. Well, I mean, oh no, yeah. I would pull it up. You see where that low at in the middle, the swing low. Yup. And I would pull it up to where it touch all three of them lows. Though that one right there, the one to the right, and that one in the middle. I would make them just touch because it just seemed like price is got a little more demand right there.
I don't even know why I got this here, bro. To be honest, I'm trying
What,
to.
the second one? Because
Yeah,
it was old. Yeah, when I start them over, I remove them. Once price break, I just start over because I like to only have no more than 2 on my chart. Like,
and then I'd be labeling them. I ain't labeled these hoes, so I don't know why. I probably just drew this shit up talking about something.
yeah, you never know. If I can't figure out what it's doing, I just delete that bitch and start over. You're gonna really technically supposed to draw up like fucking at least 2 twice a week. But really, I'm damn near doing it every day. I'm refining my shit every day. My phone don't want charge for shit. Yeah, I like that one. Yep. Yep. Zoom in something. Let me see that body. That red body. See how it's touching it. So the formula I actually use. So I go from the body of that swing low, and I put the bottom. So I pull the top to the body, the close, that red close right in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Go over. No, the other way. Right. Down. Right there. See where that candle? No, to the left. One. Yeah. See where that candle closed at?
Mm-hmm.
That's the top of my block, and I put the bottom at that wick. The reason why I'm using this one because this is the largest swing low, right? So that's I'm gonna pull a body up to that close, and I'm gonna pull a bottom up to that wick, and that's my demand zone. That's how I make it objective to where
This
you could.
what I'm classifying right here. This is just
The previous one, yeah, because wait, the second one went lower though, so that would be the more
fair
stronger
value
one.
gap. That's all I'm pointing out right here. This is just a fair value gap. That's all this is.
Oh, okay.
It's not like a demand, and this is just fair value.
Well, that's the same thing, kind of, huh?
Yeah, in a way.
Yeah. So they touching both areas, so that's cool. If anything, just make it pull it up a little, I guess. But yeah,
Nah, that's how you draw it. Look, you draw a fair value gap from the wick, the top of the wick, to the bottom of this wick of this candle. That's the gap.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So that's what you was highlighting.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but that's how I draw. That's how I draw mine though. The demand zones from whatever the swing low is, that close to the wick. And if I find another one that connected, that's how I confirm it. If I can't find another area that connects with it, then I don't. It got to be at least 2 touches.
That's the same thing as this. Fair value.
What we looking at? Hold on, let me check the trap right quick. Check the trap. Damn, I ain't got no stop loss. I'll take profit on this Nas mini. I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm back to the crack. I feel good. It really feel like trading the Oanda, man. Get the fuck out of here with that, man. That shit be blowing me. That shit be teasing the fuck out of nigga, man. Fucking 10 cent and 50 cent and shit.
It's hard to start with crack and go to weed. You want that crack back.
I started with weed. But then I hit that shit and I said, oh, my eyes roll back.
We are not talking about drugs, ladies and gentlemen. We are talking about Forex brokers, okay?
It's just creative reference.
Creative references.
Real creative.
Man.
Shout out to the creator, Ronald Reagan. Now let me.
Ah! I said Ronald Reagan, the Reagan era.
Yeah. Crackonomics, nigga.
Nah, facts. Make
The
crack,
war on drugs.
man.
That nigga sounded like Larry Jones, man.
Real.
Y'all fuck with Larry Jones? Oh yeah, you fuck with him, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's in heavy rotation in my playlist.
Hell yeah. I didn't got so burnt out on him. I ain't gonna lie. Man, that boy Roy Woods got a new song. That bitch so cold. Oh my goodness, I'm about to play that bitch. That nigga cold, son.
Nah, facts.
That nigga cold. That nigga he's so underrated. I hate when nigga. Well, I love it. I love underrated artists. I love it. Huh?
I said he independent or he with somebody. Like
He with OVO.
Ah.
That's what I'm saying. Niggas like that's how underrated he is. Niggas don't even know that. And Drake don't even promote the man.
Mm-mm.
But that's because Drake is a fucking artist, not a CEO. But still, like, I mean, well, that's what it is. Like, so it's a double-sided thing. But usually, artist labels don't never succeed. They never succeed ever. Like Young Money is like one of the one exception. But even them, they only got like 2 good artists out of that shit. You see, and that's because they just was actually talented, and they, so the thing about artist label, they artists could get that quick little exposure from
I
going
can't believe
off
that
that
shit.
rapper's
Drop
fan base,
ass on no fucking more.
and if they good,
Shit.
US 30 going running down. See, I told you them bitches gonna correlate. They do. They definitely be correlate. Not 100%, but like US 30 and NAS gonna do the same thing. I mean, the damn near exact same thing. Ooh, that 30-minute close. We got a sell entry. Hakinashi 30-minute close on the US 30 in 1 minute exactly. I'm taking it and I'm putting my stop at the top at 45.60. Wait, hold on. That's a little. I'm gonna just go one candle up. Yeah, I'm gonna go at 4,500. No, that might still be too. Hold on now. I ain't gonna lie. Trading Locker is so fire. Like this, make a crack account. Like
Really
it
is.
take away.
I agree. I really do
Yeah,
like
it take away like 50% of the crack.
I,
For real, because you could really like this shit is better than Oanda. It's like literally Oanda meets TradingView meets MetaTrader. Like
yeah,
it have the best of
I'm
all
gonna
of them.
get that one. Trade Locker is fire. I'm gonna keep it G.
Yeah, it's not such crack account because it is, bro. It
I,
is.
I really do like it.
Yeah, it is fire. Like it's fire.
I wouldn't be mad if Trade Locker converted in Oanda. I really wouldn't be mad. It's
Me
really fire.
either. Me either.
It's really
Me
fire.
either. I would prefer it.
Yeah, it's dope. It's really
I
dope.
would prefer it because
Did good on who created that platform. Did a good job. Like that shit fire. The layout fire.
yeah, it's definitely a trader made this 100%.
Nah, fact.
Like this was made by a trader for a trader. Because like what I like I could do a pending order, right? And I could say risk. So I could go to whatever stop loss area I want and I hit risk and then I could put $1 there or $5 and it's gonna automatically do my lot size.
Right.
That's fire.
You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times you be like, well, how much I'm gonna lose if I go here, go there, go there. How many units I used to lose, lot size, 0.0, and all of this shit. This shit, you could do that. You could. It's just how you could enter the markets is crazy.
Yeah.
Like along with the TradingView format and shit platform, man,
Mm-hmm.
it's killing MetaTrader. Way killing it.
Yeah, I would probably say it's probably the best one out right now.
Exact. And guess what else the feature they got? That damn Oanda got it, but they got this thing to where you could close all positions. Like, so I can, like, if I'm in multiple positions, I could close just the negative ones, just the positive ones, or all of them with one button. Hugo Wade can't do that. KOT can't do that. You have to literally go individual and try to and hurry up and try to close all them positions.
KOT used Trade Locker though.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Hugo Wade couldn't do it. Yeah. Yeah, KOT could. Yeah, that's right. I'm on this one called Osprey. So if you need another one, there's the same shit as KOT.
Yeah, I heard it out.
Yeah.
My KOT account, I just ain't got no money in that bitch.
Huh?
I said I still got my KOT account. I just ain't got no money in that bitch.
All right, I'm closed. I just closed that NAS mini. Look like it's pulling back. And my profit been around the same area, so I'm gonna just take that. Not risk that money for no reason, and I'm out of all of my positions on the crack. Give me the clap, Six. Give me the clap, man. I smoked the crack, and I'm still good. I'm still good. Yeah, yeah. Crack survivor. Crack survivor.
Nigga said crack survivor.
Yes. That was funny, huh? That was funny.
Oh, man.
Dead people.
Man,
Now let's go to Oanda and see what was going
Yeah,
on.
they got me. I'm about to get out this bitch, dog.
done.
You out? What is that?
Yeah, that
26,
shit doing
26?
too much, bro. That shit doing like fuck. That shit stupid, bro.
That big
That
ass
shit
drop
stupid,
was it?
bro.
You can't reduce your trade.
My thing is, bro, bitch, you ain't even retesting the high. Bitch, that bitch just fuck the high. That bitch one made a new high and said fuck it.
That's what it do. It sweep high and then it go sweep lows. That's the basic market function.
And it already swept lows. The previous hour did that.
Yeah, so you might want to stay in and see. Now, if it touched that low that it swept,
Bro, I'm telling you, it's going to 26.35. So if you can't
that's the low.
if you
That's
can't
the low.
that, then yeah, get out because it's going there.
Right now, it's at a trend line. I got a trend line on the 30 and the hour draw, and it's right there touching it. So I would not exit right now because you got support right here. Or did you already exit?
Nigga waiting right now.
Nah, you got support right here, G. For real shit.
Man, just cut the markets off and go play the game, man. Like that.
I mean, yeah, you guys should stop too. Yeah, then fuck it. I'm watching. But you got support right here. So I'm curious to see. I'm on a 10-minute right now. This is pretty much a breakout zone. I got a my resistance and my trend line is crossing at this point. It's like this is trade trapping. That's where I get that name from. This really trapping price to where I have to make a decision.
Yeah, like price was like consolidating right here, and then we finally broke out, you know, and now we about to retest that bitch. It just took a long time to retest.
Retest what? The high?
I mean, we were like ranging like right in this area, and then we finally broke out of that range.
Wait, hold on. I ain't on the screen. Range and what? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Range right here. And
Range and breakout, pull back, and continuation should happen.
it should.
Depending on the fundamentals. This one you got to check the news. When market ain't doing its basic fundamentals, you gotta go check. I mean,
What
it's
I do
basic
know
news
is
to
the
go check
dollar
the value.
dropping. Fuck.
Huh?
What I do know is the dollar dropping.
Right. So that's keeping you alive.
Not
That's
really.
keeping you. No.
I mean, shit. What you expect? be testing the highs right now. Like it ain't pulling back. Like gold ain't worried about the dollar.
No, you got to realize gold is literally priced against the dollar. It's XAU to
Right.
USD.
Is right.
It's
Gold versus
priced
dollar.
against the dollar, so that will pull it up when gold go down. I mean, when the dollar go down, gold goes up, and only because it's priced against it.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, not on no correlation shit.
Right.
Yeah, but it won't do much. Like the dollar have to drop off like heavy for gold to push
Bro,
up.
that bitch is dropping heavy. That bitch need to keep going. Stupid.
Let me see. I ain't checking it. Let me see.
I
Dollar.
bet under the 50 on the 8 hour. It just closed under the 50 on the 8 hour. It's still going.
Oh
That
yeah,
bitch
it
need to
just
keep
broke
going.
below 100 a fib. Like it made a new swing low on a fib on yeah. So it's definitely at new lows. Oh yeah, hell yeah, the dollar drop. I called it. That news was
That bitch
bearish.
need to, bro. I'm
Even though the news was
trying to
positive, the
catch these
markets
2
played
racks.
it bearish.
That bitch go to my take profit. I'm clocking 2100.
For real?
That's back to the high of last week. Fucking right.
Sheesh.
I just needed to go right there, bitch. That's it. Like that bitch praying. That's why it's doing that, bitch. I'm trying to clock another 2 out
Nigga,
these
you
stupid
putting too
ass.
much energy towards it. You gotta relax. Like
Bitch, I've
that's why
been
you getting
relaxed,
all
laying
like that.
down.
'Cause you,
I am relaxed, bitch. Shut up. You see what this shit doing? This money, bitch. Money.
you should have got a better entry, nigga. You gonna get
Shut
that
up.
late ass entry and be worried when
Shut
it
up.
pull back.
Shut up, nigga.
That's how I feel. Don't cry now, nigga.
I'm not
You ain't
crying, nigga.
crying
I'm
when
just
your
saying
ass was up.
I ain't about to crying, bitch. I'm about to get these 2 racks is what I'm saying, bitch. I
Okay,
need
then.
that
All
bitch to
right,
go up to
then.
catch
That's what
2
I
racks.
want here. Sound like you about
Yeah.
to pull out the Kleenex.
What's your take profit?
No, bitch. If I was doing that, bitch, I would have closed my profits. Stupid
I'm
ass.
fucking with you, nigga. I'm just keeping you up.
Is 2,700 your take profit?
Last week highs, brother.
Last week high. Okay, so 26.
I take that bitch at 2,700. I ain't
The
even lying.
dollar is definitely the dollar at its weekly low right now, and it's a bearish engulfing on the week.
I take that bitch at 2,700. I don't give a fuck. That's 2 racks right there. Close to it. I don't give a fuck.
That nigga risking everything.
Put the house on it.
Man, I'm trying to make money, son.
For real. For real, man.
This better be the real thing. That's what the fuck I know.
Damn, AU pulled back up like a motherfucker on the week, huh?
Bruh.
It got out that golden zone. That's what we were just talking about. Hell yeah. Yeah, I called that. I said, if you in sales, you better get the fuck out of AU. That was you, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he got out. Now that bitch buying. Nice. So this, yeah. I'm about to buy my fucking self. Hold up. Let me check the Hawks. Check the Uskies.
Hakanashi.
Yeah, like you in buys?
Fuck no. I'm in sale.
You out? You in sales?
Yeah, I'm still
You
holding.
still in them? Oh,
Man,
you just
you
holding and
see,
see, huh?
VJ.
It crossed
Man, the
that 50
dollar
though
is
on the
dropping
golden. It broke out
hard,
that
bro.
golden
Come
on
on, bro.
it. I mean, but you do got on the hour you got lower highs, so you still good. But it is it went from below the 75 and went over to 66. Now it's over to 50 fib. The
Oh
target is
yeah,
75.11.
dollar drop, bitch. Dollar drop. Boy, that dollar is dropping so hard. And I'll take it, nigga. I will take it.
Oh, and it's pushing the goal up, huh?
You already know.
Yeah, I see it just broke off that swing line.
That bitch dropping hard. So if
Yeah,
y'all got
C6, it
anything
should
going
do go
against the
like
dollar,
that.
fuck with that.
The gold really going up, and Audi should too, because pretty much Audi is a gold currency.
Yeah, they produce a lot of gold. That's right.
The most, actually, the
Mm.
most. So Audi, I'm about to buy with that. As long as gold, yeah, I'm gonna buy Audi and gold at the same time. Start correlating that. That's free money. Let me check the strength. Oh no, Audi ain't got no strength, but dollar even weaker. So the yen got all the strength right now. Bullish on the yen, and they got the sentiment 77%. Yen is running the show right now again. I called that last
Yeah, that
night though.
dollar
I'm
dropping
bullish.
hard. Scully said it's gonna drop for the holiday.
Yeah, 70% bear. Nobody ain't fucking with the dollar. Not a yeah. Now I
Real
don't
niggas
know what the
buying gold.
indices gonna do though. Like tomorrow, I don't know. Huh?
Hey,
Yeah, I don't got no reason to
man,
come up.
that bitch not doing enough though. Stupid ass.
There you go.
When gold hit 45, I'd be happy, but it ain't there yet.
That bitch hit
Really
46.
46. That's what my alert at 46. Facts.
Mhm. Above it.
Yeah, but I got an alert at 46. But if that bitch push
There you
above
go right there.
46,
There you
I'm a
go.
happy man.
Hold on. Let me hop back in that bitch.
Ah,
It ain't there yet. It's right there at the daily
Nah,
low
nigga, you
at
call what you
43.
want. I see what I see.
Get your ass up.
That bitch
Get your
is
ass up.
breaking
Get
out,
your ass up.
nigga. It
Get your ass up.
rejected just like
Shut
six
up. Shut up.
calls.
Shut up.
Nigga, you was just about to cry. Nigga, shut up. Don't get happy now.
Bitch, I've been saying that. Bitch, boy, fuck you. Bitch, ain't nobody about to cry, boy. Puss ass nigga.
you get,
That
you get
nigga said,
like
come on, Dollar, shoot.
nigga get quiet. That's when you know a nigga ain't draw down.
Thank you. Nigga wasn't
Shit,
crying.
boy.
I was
Fuck
quiet.
that. I learned. I only do drawdowns on
I've been quiet the last 15 minutes because all that shit reversed on me.
Wait, hit the laugh button. Hit the laugh button.
Nah, for real, nigga need that.
Hold on, hit that bit.
Wait, fool.
Come on, man. Hit the laugh button.
That's the cheers.
Nah, that
Nah,
was
he got to laugh too. Six. Come on, DJ.
That was it.
he can't even hear it. He said,
Oh,
Goof ass. Come on,
oh,
man.
my
Keep
phone
pushing
was
it.
tripping.
Everybody put your hands together and start praying.
nah.
I just want to thank God for this day.
Boy, I ain't hit
Amen.
26. I keep playing. I'm at
Amen.
46.
That's
That nigga, you
why I'm
just say
praying,
once you
bitch.
hit it.
That's why I'm praying. So that bitch can keep going.
Nah, don't be praying.
You got consolidation right there, man. You all right. And if
Hey,
it break that, then fuck, it's good. That's what it is.
God ain't gonna save it.
You brought to say that prayer ain't gonna help
She,
your ass, nigga.
Prayer ain't gonna help.
God done got me through many trying times.
He gonna get you
Not
to
in these markets.
the.
I convert right now. Show me your God.
I ain't never really prayed, but I'm about to pray right now.
That's how
Lord,
them niggas used to do back in the
show him
day.
better than I could tell him.
They be
Lord,
like,
show him
yeah,
better
my
than I could
God
tell
got
him.
me this new house. They be like, really? Who's your God? Will he accept my offering? You know, niggas trying to make a offering to the whoever nigga said they God was. Oh, that's what your God doing for you? I need that type of God. That's how niggas used to be for real.
No
Niggas make
new
an
niggas.
offering.
We don't want no fake followers.
You got a bullish engulfing on the 15.
But that
Scary ass
fucking dollar
Lamar.
is dropping. Boy, shut your bitch ass up. I'm sick of this nigga. I'm sick of this. Man, somebody let me at this nigga.
My boy said, let me at me. Let me at me.
Nah, for real. I,
Yeah. UJ, you say UJ buys? Yeah, that ain't working. Oh, that's what you was talking about, huh?
I got stopped out.
Yeah, the yen too strong and the dollar too weak right now. See,
Maybe EU buys.
EG.
EU?
Oh, yeah, hell yeah, EU buys. EU buys is up. Just sell a dollar right now, basically. Fuck. And buy the yen. Sell dollar, buy yen. But don't pound is pretty strong right now. A lot of sentiment, 72%. Nobody, we don't never fuck with the franc.
Frank,
CHL.
Frank,
I ain't
Frank.
hear one nigga say they traded that bitch yet.
You ain't gonna hear it.
I was trading that bit last year.
Shit, I'll trade that bitch, nigga. It got my setup on. You know me, I trade anything, nigga. If I let it, what? I don't give a fuck. I ain't got no bias. I'm biased to my setup,
I was
not to
trading
these tariffs.
everything last year. AUS 200, all type of shit.
Or the Australia, that Russell,
Mm-hmm.
or the
Russell.
fucking dollar so fucking weak right now. What
My
happened?
thing, yeah, that's what I'm saying. For gold not to be just pushing right now is kind of scary.
Nigga, you just
Cause
came from that hole. That bitch is pushing.
Dollar just came, just grabbing liquidity. That's all it is. It's gonna go back up.
shut your ass up.
It's gonna go back up. It's just bouncing off that high from June.
I'm sick of these niggas.
And
First this nigga, over here wishing for the markets to drop, then gold drop. Now this nigga over here wishing for the dollar to go up. Just let the market do what the fuck they gonna do. How about that?
Who is wishing for gold to drop?
we in all opposite.
You said you want the markets to drop. Just fuck it, let them drop. No, let's not do that.
Nigga, I was talking. The markets is the indices. When
Markets
I
is
say the
everything.
market, no, it's not.
Shut your
When you
ass up.
said
You don't know.
the market, the stock market, take people talking about the end. Really, the S&P 500. When niggas say the market, genuinely speaking.
Oh, all right. Well,
Yeah,
well,
genuinely.
well, just you 6.
Well, dollar like to go bullish when Trump in office, so I think the dollar gonna turn around and gonna hit up.
Yeah, nah, Six be, he be coming with this shit like he more like the banker type thinker.
News and shit.
Yeah, he
Long as
think
that
like
bitch
the
come to
bank.
105.5. Let me see, 0.5.
Yeah, the dollar is
105.5.
definitely dropping like a motherfucker. I'm looking
Yeah, I
at the
needed to come to
12-hour. This bitch,
105.5.
That bitch might come all the way to 103.42. Fuck around. Fuck
yeah,
around.
election price 103.40. Yeah. Election day open. I got that at 104.28. What was that? No, it was Tuesday. No, so it should be.
What
Wait,
goes
what?
up must come down.
Hell yeah, boy! That shit show coming right back to. We called this on hella videos ago. This we been called this soon as it went up there. We said, yeah, that shit gonna retrace like a motherfucker, sell off.
Mm-hmm.
We called that shit, and I didn't get a UJ buy for real since then. So we called that, and looking at the week chart, nigga, it's clear what's going on. That been going right back to that area. Oh, and you got a fair market value gap. I see one for the first time. Let me make a rectangle right there. My first one. You see it on the daily? It's in it right now. It's
What you
in
talking
it. A fair market value gap
on what?
on the dollar on the week chart.
All the way to 105.2.
Oh yeah, it's in there.
Yes, that's one.
That's what I said. Yeah, that's one.
Okay. I'm on it now. Yeah, I just need the higher time. All them other, it'd be 2-minute candles on the smaller ones for me to, I'm color, like I'm visually impaired and shit.
Yeah,
So
I already know.
yeah,
Well, as
color
long as
and
the
vision.
dollar keep doing this, bitch, I ain't worried about nothing.
It's in this fair market gap though, so it's probably gonna revert. It ain't going no lower than 105.46 straight.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was looking for the 105.5. That'll be
Yeah.
enough just to give a nigga something.
Yeah, you better cash out and re-enter. Wait for a pullback or something. That's a suggestion. Or you could just stay in if this might run up next week. But nobody don't know what the market's gonna do these next 2 days. So
I'm gonna do shit. That's what it's gonna do.
somebody gonna get paid though. One of them, it might be crypto. If anything, it might be crypto. That's what it's gonna be. See, crypto is part of the markets now.
A no goal line.
Like it got its own narrative. That shit 24 hours. That shit dope. It's like the market was missing that, you know. Look at Vancouver mayor plans to introduce Bitcoin friendly city plans.
Vancouver.
Yep, Toronto. I mean Canada.
Yeah, I don't know, dog. Gold done lost its forever.
I told you take that profit and re-enter, nigga. But you don't listen to me.
Bitch, shut up.
I told you.
Alright,
That's
I'm gonna
all he
shut up.
knew. That's all he knew.
I'm gonna shut up. He gonna lose his whole
I
account
told you. I
when I
told
shut
you.
up.
Damn.
Soon
Yeah.
as I start talking, that nigga account gonna tank.
Gold trying to
Soon as
hit
I stop.
dollar talking about, man.
Huh?
I said gold is not trying to hear what the fuck dollar is talking about. I'm just saying, bitch, if you dropping, then I won't drop. Fuck it. Let's go.
Facts. When that bit was going up, that bit was going up. That bit crazy.
With his
Because people don't know what they want to do right now. People trying to figure out what the market participants is trying to do, and like Six just said, we ain't doing shit.
brother
So
bank doing shit. Everybody on vacation. It's about to be Friday. Like the week is done.
I'm not getting back into the markets until Tuesday unless I see something on crypto.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah. Just I mean, the market gonna be dead tomorrow. We don't have no news on Friday, so the week done for the most part.
Yeah, and also Monday. Fuck Monday as well.
Yeah,
According to my trading.
at best, we go see consolidation for the rest of the week. So you will see some pullbacks up. You will see some sell-offs, but it's just gonna be consolidated. Ain't gonna be nothing.
Yep, you risking money for no fucking reason unless you range trading. It's range trading time. No more trend trading setups.
The dollar, you son of a bitch.
Ain't shit.
Why the fuck did you drop, slut?
Damn, you only swap up 18 fucking percent. Yeah, the money in the altcoins. Look at Stella up 15%. I'm holding that. I'm holding that. Yeah, Stella.
I'm about to check altcoin season. We'll see if we're in altcoin season. See, fear and greed, no dominance.
When that shit supposed to, how they supposed to know? Not when Bitcoin dropping, because it ain't even crypto season no more. Once Bitcoin go to drop,
49% on altcoin season index.
is what?
It's 50-50. I got it. I got it shared on my screen right now.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm about to say, cause yeah, okay. Oh, I remember it was more Bitcoin dominance, and yeah, I guess that once it started to drop, that's when people, yeah, switch over to crypto.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, altcoins and shit, just to wait for to see if Bitcoin gonna pull back up and you get a higher return.
And look at the volume. We had a 17% drop in volume today.
Damn,
That's a lot.
that is a lot.
The end of the
That
week,
is,
holidays, everybody on vacation, man. All the big money traders, they on vacation. They ain't in the markets.
right, right. These niggas make so much money, they ain't gotta be in this shit every day.
Fuck, man. They got their shit chilling in fucking stable coins right now.
That's me next. Shit, they probably got that shit in Bitcoin, niggas. Like Bitcoin is that stable coin now. Like, is we at that point, bro? Let me know when you see a 10% drop in Bitcoin in one day.
All right.
Or definitely a 15. I don't think you're gonna see.
I'll
You're
let
not gonna see too many more of those.
you know when it happen. I'm gonna let you know.
Shit, I got it set on Cash App. It let me know every time it changed 5%. So, but it's too much. It's too much institutional money in there, and it's only increasing. So with just that alone, and the retailers increasing, the wallets increasing, that shit ain't going nowhere. Then you got options and all this shit coming in. Yeah, this shit here to stay.
Acquired 55,000 Bitcoin. Them niggas got 386,000 Bitcoin.
Damn, you serious? 3,000?
86,700 to be exact.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they said heavy. When Bitcoin get to like 500,000 each, yeah, them niggas gonna be.
No, they never gonna cash out. That's the thing. They ain't gonna never cash it out. If he go bankrupt, he gonna just go bankrupt. I think I strongly believe that's how you looking at it.
Damn, Bitcoin doing.
That nigga predicted a $13 million Bitcoin at max.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So he ain't even thinking about pulling out yet. They not even gonna pull out even at $1 million, which is just 90% away. But they not pulling out. Maybe around 3-5 million and shit like that. That's when niggas gonna start taking profit and shit like that.
I'm pissed off at Goa right now. That bitch like a dead man sitting on a damn bus stop, and that bitch and the bus ain't coming. That bitch is stagnant.
It's 11 o'clock, bro, and this day before Thanksgiving.
I know.
It's done. Like last night was the play. I got in on at around 38. It went up to what? You know. Fuck, you could get $100 a pip on gold, easy, and it only moved 10, 20 pips. So, yeah. My mission is accomplished for the week. I'm glad I deposited that crack. I hit that bone.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
And I hope I will get us.
Well,
He gonna get us demonetized
leaving comments on that shit.
before nigga even get monetized.
Yeah, fuck your monetized shit. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you too, bitch.
Damn.
Straight independent, bitch. You gotta come. You gotta come to our like to watch our live. Fuck you too. Bitch, you can't tell me what I can't say on my video. Free speech. Bitch. Oh man. Well, yeah. Anybody got any final remarks as we wrap this up?
Money.
Crack is whack.
I agree.
Not today.
Man.
Crack is whack. Just roll up instead.
Crack is good. You ain't never heard a nigga say that.
Fuck
I'm
no.
the first nigga in history ever. You say crack is good.
Yeah.
Crack pays people bills, man.
None about that. No.
What about crack accounts?
Yep. Hey, what you
They
heard?
pay a bill or two.
You where you heard that term from?
What?
Crack account.
I just made it up.
You just made it up.
I told you from that Pro Tools and Forex and them. I mean,
Right.
yeah, them.
Yeah, man. We about to wrap this shit up. Everybody monitor y'all positions. Hopefully everything work out. I think we are in a lot of opposing positions, meaning I want the dollar to go up, school want the dollar to go down. So we're gonna have to figure this out.
To be honest, at this point, because I'm about to get out my cars. Ain't no more what I want. I'm about to hop out this bitch, boy.
Yeah,
I'll
no,
be back
this ain't the
next
time
week
to
or
risk
something.
no money.
Right, this shit
I'm gonna be
ain't
real with
like
you, bro.
like it said holiday. This shit doing
Yeah, there ain't no
stupid shit
time to
right
risk
now.
no money. You
Like,
forcing it at this point.
yeah, bro. Ain't no way that bitch came all the way up to that high and fucking dropped 3 hours in a row. And then that's 3 red closes. So yeah.
What you mean ain't no way?
I'm about to
Bitch,
say,
ain't no way. Just what the
wait,
fuck I just said.
it's definitely a way.
Okay.
Yeah, well, y'all got it.
That's what I'm
I'm
trying to say.
about
Nigga, the
to
choice
find
is
my way
right
the
there.
fuck up out of there.
Look, this is the way right here. I got it drawn up on the
Just
chart.
press exit, nigga.
That's the way, right there. That's the way.
What, to take profit?
Huh?
Take profit there, stop loss there.
Yeah, man. We'll
Take
be
my
back on Sundays.
bro. I'm done.
We'll see if
I knew that shit was gonna be too
holding
hot.
would have worked or getting out would have worked.
Get out.
My first
Get
piece,
out.
Stop moving.
That's the synopsis. Everybody say get out. Get out. Get out the market. Fuck it.
Yeah, because you just never know how low it's gonna go.
Enjoy
And
Thanksgiving.
yeah.
You heard me. And be ready.
Yep.
Save your money for next week. Put it like that. Don't lose no more money.
Yep. Don't be a philanthropist, nigga.
Nah, facts. Well,
Don't be a donor either.
we out. Peace, money. Everybody have a good one. You heard me.
Happy Turkey Day.
Happy Turkey Day. Peace.
Peace.
I hope the dollar go up.